expensive with compared to US CPA.
Yes.
Whereas US CPA takes more time and more comprehensive and challenging. Takes more time and efforts.
Yes.
Right.
It takes around 2.5 years for CPA.
Right.
Cost will be around 3 lakh.
Compared to US CPA.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Whereas US CPA takes more time and more comprehensive and.
Yes, sir. You are right.
Whereas with regard to
going to take
career opportunities like for EA, great for tax focused roles in public practice, tax firms or corporate tax departments. Whereas USCPA is open doors to public accounting, corporate finance, auditing, consultancy, advisory, and leadership roles. This is the main difference.
Yes, correct.
Sir, good morning, sir. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
This is Ramesh. Hello.
Hi, Ramesh.
Sir, I have some doubt. Do you clear that one?
You please.
Hello.
You please.
Actually, my qualification is a diploma. I recently completed the diploma in AAML.
Okay.
Am I eligible or suitable, or is it comfort to do this course for me?
Yeah, 100%. We are going to explain that point very clearly in our session.
Okay, sir. And another one is suppose I have some language issue, some communication issue is there. Once I get the job, okay, I can do that. Or else I want to do the freelancing. Can I do that? Can I take that? Can I get that work freelancing model?
Freelancing model, take it as an optional. Don't need to be dependent only as a freelancing projects, and you don't have any communications issue. Actually, it's a confidence issue.
Okay.
So
but technically, you need to have a knowledge.
You understand your vocabulary and all. It's clear. Only maybe you felt like there is a stammering issue. I guess you have, right? Right, sir? Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Yeah. Yes. I guess
Hello?
you have a stammering issue, right?
Yes, sir. Just a hammering issue.
Yes. Because
actually, it's not.
Because of that, you felt like a low confidence. It's not a communication issue, and because of by working for American people, there is no need to be talked daily, sir. You no need to be dependent.
Okay, that is the main doubt I have. Okay, no problem. Okay.
So, like how IT employees are working for American companies, all IT projects in either US or EA only, right? Like European countries.
Yes.
Not when they are daily discussing with American people.
Yes.
A similar way here.
Some is the intermediate people, if they are in Telugu language, no issue to do that work.
Telugu language, maybe you need to be depends. Sir. Most of the Hyderabad job market will be, maybe we are going to be discussed with them in the Telugu, that's fine. But don't assume like everything is going to be happening in Telugu.
Okay. If that person is average or above average or whatever it means, that person is, I think,
so
is it also suitable?
Average or above average, and any criteria is there, sir, for that?
Hello?
No, average and above average. How you are deciding? He was average and above average.
Okay. But based on the mentorship and the interest, these are the things, no?
Yes. So, example like what's your mark score in your 10th standard, sir? 10th standard. We'll go with the 10th standard.
10th is the 55, no? 55. 10th, 55%, sir.
55%. Okay. So all your friends who got 100, 80%, 90%, all got settled, sir?
Sir?
Your friends who got 85%, 90%, all these people are in the good job market now or not?
No, sir, not all the people in
so it's not about your marks, not about the percentage, it's about your interest, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Yeah, you no need to be worried about that.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes. Already intermediate. Intermediate, is it okay, sir? Polytechnic or intermediate, both are, is it suitable?
Yes, because here compared to your degree, we need to more on priority for your exam with the IRS.
Yes, okay.
IRS exam is a more important here. So you don't need to be worried about your degree, diploma candidates can be eligible.
Okay, sir. Very, very
But in the
thanks, sir.
real time, sir, some example like there are 10 people applied. Out of that, 3 people have a degree and 2 people don't have a degree, only intermediate. So at that time,
Okay.
companies, the HR and recruiter point of view, they may give the priority for the degree candidate. Any degree. It's not about
Oh.
like economics or commerce or BTech or medicine. It's not like that. Here, main priority
Okay.
for our certification only. But still,
Okay,
my
okay.
suggestion will be possible. You can do an online degree. Parallel.
Okay.
Even after
While
last
doing that
year.
parallelly, he is doing, sir. Parallelly,
Yes, yes.
we are doing.
Once you
Once
got a-
you
once you
committed
got
to
a job
join
with
as a.
your- once you got a job with your income, you can do your degree. No need to be dependent on
Okay,
the
sir.
parents.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
So
the clarity.
this is Mahesh actually. Okay, guys. I'm the founder for KSR Data Vision, and Ramakrishna sir is going to be handling the session entire enrolled agent course. He holding around
Okay.
20 plus years experience in CA, CMA, and CPA, and enrolled agent as
Great,
well.
sir. Oh, great.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
he was an auditor. He had his own firm as well in Hyderabad, and he was dealing with the
Okay.
mostly American companies who holding the vendors like consultancies, Indian consultancies settled in abroad, right? Those kind of
Okay, okay.
consultancies auditing completely handled by the Ramakrishna Sir's team. So by
Okay.
passion, he was into the teaching as well. And now currently he was along with the KSR, he was a couple of BCom colleges, particularly commerce colleges. He was teaching these enrolled agent classes as a freelancer. And apart from that, he written a book, and I will share the book details very soon for an enrolled agent only. By completing that book, you can able to complete the test very easily.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
As your
So-
guidance and your mentorship, then we'll do that, sir. No problem. I have an interest. That's
The
why
mentorship is
I
completely
attended the
my
demo also.
responsibility. Yeah, sorry. Mentorship is completely my responsibility. I'm not going to be help you guys. It's my responsibility because you are paying and joining the classes, and you are giving your time for 6 months.
Okay.
It's not about
Okay, sir.
just your
Definitely.
fees, but your time is more important for me as well.
Okay, sir. Internship, is it internship like internship model or like only training model?
Training and until you are placed will be my responsibility. It's not about just we are training, taking the classes after course completion. You have to be taken. Not like that. We will guide you until you get placed. And now
Okay, sir.
77
Okay.
people are there. Apart from me and Ramakrishna, maybe 75. All your 75 people have to get placed is my responsibility. But again, I need your support
Okay.
as well. Day one, you are joining very interesting, but later you are not completing the classes properly. Even I can't help you.
And okay. That is our responsibility. Major responsibility is ours. Minor responsibility is yours. Our interest and our responsibility is take the
You
guidance
mean
from
to
your
say
side properly.
you're guaranteeing your employee after the course?
Sorry, sir.
You mean to say it is a placement guarantee course or what
No,
exactly?
placement guarantee in the sense, my point of view, I need to give offer letter after paying 35,000 to the KSR. This is the guarantee that means, right?
Okay.
The
But I
profit
can't
is
give the
where
offer
the
letter.
90%.
Hold on. 1 second, sir. Let me finish his question. He said, is there any placement guarantee? Placement guarantee in the sense, my point of view, I have to give an offer letter after completing the course. But honestly, I can't make that promise. I can promise you to get a call for you until you get placed. Your resume building, your Naukri profile optimization, and with the referrals. So because we have, sir also have around 20 years experience in this field, we will help you to get a call in an interview with the multiple companies. But clearing an interview, it depends on you as well, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
One more
So
question. Till now, how many students have been placed from this organization actually?
From the KSR, honestly, this is the first batch, but sir into the teaching field from 20 years, I said, right? He was teaching for some other college. There he got multiple placements. Particularly one college, I can't name it now. There is a very famous college in Hyderabad for economics and commerce. So there he used to teach for enrolled agent. So out of every batch, they have a multiple students, right? An average 15 to 18% students placing only on enrolled agents. Rest people maybe in the marketing, some people go for a regular chartered account. Multiple sources are there. Out of that, I'm 15 to 18% students placed only on enrolled agent who are taking this as a serious matter.
okay, so Mahesh, this is Lakshmi Kant.
Yes,
So I
sir.
have a question. So how many levels of assessments are how many levels are there in this course?
Eventually, we'll get one by one, sir. Those are 3 levels, but we will let you know one by one. Sir is going to be we'll do one thing.
So you will be covering all these levels in these 6
Yeah.
months, or are you going to?
No, we will covering. I will do one thing, sir. We will give the mic to the sir. So let's finish the technical class. After that, I will
Yes.
join again. We will discuss in detail about the placement, everything. Next
Yeah.
5 class, anyway, it's a free. You have all the time to ask multiple questions. Okay.
Okay.
Over to you, sir. You can.
Yeah, hi. Hello.
Sir,
Yes,
it's
yes.
better to, I think the questions which are asked are already covered in the presentation,
Yes,
so
yes.
that
After session, we
the
will
questions
take
can
all
be
the
asked.
answers.
Yes, yes, that is better way, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Good
Good morning.
morning.
Good
Morning,
morning.
sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you. First of all, thank you very much for joining our first class. I am Ramakrishna. I am a chartered accountant and an enrolled agent. I have around 20 years of experience for teaching CA, CMA students. Along with the teaching, I am also practicing as a chartered accountant under our firm name ARKV & Co. Apart from this, we associated with KSR Data Vision for training EA programs. Today, many students are spending 3 to 4 years of their valuable time and spending lakhs of rupees on different courses. Even after completion of this engineering or graduation or any other some professional courses, some students are still facing problem in finding the proper career opportunities, and also suffering from getting the settling in the proper line. Similarly, many women completing their education and but because of their marriage or family settlement, family responsibilities, they are not settling in proper career for few years. Later, they are trying to enter or re-enter technical side or software side. They feel it very difficult. In addition, some of the college going students, they want to settle as early as possible without waiting for many number of years after completion of their graduation. Based on these observations, we decided to start this EA course. So let us start EA session. In this, we are going to cover totally 14 points. All these 14 points clears about complete course and opportunities, everything. Actually, basically, this course is about US income tax. In India, any person earning income which is taxable, responsible to prepare one return and to be submitted to the central government, Ministry of the Finance, Income Tax Department, along with the tax payable amounts. Similarly, any person earning any income which is taxable in US also need to file returns and need to file tax. So to handle these matters, in US basically 3 important professions are there. One is enrolled agents. Second one, CPA, means certified public accountants. Third one is tax attorneys. Attorneys are nothing but lawyers. All lawyers are not dealing tax matters. Some may deal with criminal matters. Some may deal with civil matters. Some may deal with family matters. But some lawyers may deal with tax matters. So finally, all tax matters in USA will be handling by three important professionals. One is enrolled agent, second one is CPAs, third one is tax attorneys. So even though they are practicing their profession there, it is very costly matter to complete that job, to complete their assignments. That is the reason they are trying to send their assignment works to India. Reasons are three. One is cost advantage in India. Second one is skilled manpower availability in India. Third one is trust on India about the quality delivery of the work. Because of these three important reasons, US tax work is coming to India. This tax related works comes to India through important channels. One is high range organizations. Okay. This tax work is coming to India through three important channels. One is high range organizations, means global capability centers, and big four organizations, Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, and BDO, and RSM, Grant Thornton, and CLA Global. Apart from these big size organizations, so many mid-range organizations are also in the same field. And apart from that, even individual or two or small group of people starting their offices in India and providing their services. So these three channels we are having to get the work from US to India. Main important point, tax related to commerce, tax related to accountancy. To have the good knowledge in the taxation, that a person must have accountancy knowledge. This is the myth in the public. Strictly speaking, there is no direct link between the commerce and accounting and taxation. Taxation is nothing but the law. This law is completely developed in the form of the procedure. If you are able to understand that the procedure, any person can handle this tax matter comfortably, even without having the knowledge of the commerce. So finally, what we want to say, commerce or accounting knowledge is not compulsory to have the knowledge of the taxation. Any person can directly cover this subject. Taxation is rule-based, not the accountancy-based. So finally, commerce background is not compulsory. Okay, let us see what is EA. EA stands for Enrolled Agent. Actually, original name of the course is SEE, Special Enrolled Examination. Popularly known as EA, means Enrolled Agent. This enrolled agent is a tax professional. This professional certificate is going to be issued by IRS. IRS means Internal Revenue Service. This is one wing of the federal government of USA. So IRS is the authority which is conducting this examination and which is issuing this EA certificate. So the person who has completed this EA course is getting directly from the federal government of USA, not from any university, not from any board, directly from federal government. This course can be completed by any person. Very important point, it is open to any candidate. No need to have any prior degree, basic requirement is just completion of the 18 years of age. So you no need to have the degree or intermediate or CA, CMA, CPA, nothing. Any person who has completed just 18 years of age is eligible to write this examination to start the practice or profession in this field. So basically this course is suitable, even though basic requirement is not there to do this course, to understand this subject, at least who has completed intermediate, that knowledge is more than sufficient. Any degree pursuing student is eligible for understanding of this subject. Happily, postgraduate students can, and those who are aspirants of the CA, CMA, CS, and CPA, and who are already in the field of accounting, also can do it. In the field of the finance or tax, audit, all those professionals are also happily can do this course and comfortably can handle the matters. And engineering students and IT background candidates are also can do, because there is no need to have the commerce background. Once the course is completed, what role is going to play by these professionals? Any person is having income, or any business organization is having any income, is responsible to file the returns once in a year. If they are having any taxable income, definitely they have to pay the tax periodically. So definitely for submission, tax returns are to be prepared. The person who has the knowledge of income tax, so that person only is able to submit this, prepare these returns. That is the reason tax return preparation is the main role to be played by these EA professionals. Second one is tax compliance. According to IRS, periodically taxes are to be paid. Periodically returns are to be submitted, like in the form of the advance tax and TDS and periodical submission of the returns. These are the compliance to be fulfilled by every taxpayer. So on behalf of the taxpayers, these EA profession can handle those matters. Apart from that, tax advisory support beforehand. So the law provisions can be explained to the taxpayer clearly, how to handle the organization transactions, where to invest, how to save money, what provisions are to be complied. This advisory support can be given by these tax professionals. Sometimes taxpayers are also getting notices, demand notices for short payment of the tax or non-compliance of the certain provisions. In those cases, taxpayers cannot handle these matters directly because of lack of tax knowledge, or because of lack of time, or because of the fear to come before IRS officers. That is the reason, on behalf of the taxpayers, this enrolled agent professional can handle those matters also. And one more special point, if any tax problem arises to any taxpayer, he can go to court, he can go to IRS officers directly, but he cannot send his family members or his neighbors or his any friends, even though those people are having the knowledge of the income tax. So on behalf of the taxpayer, to handle before the IRS department, taxpayer himself can handle. Alternatively, these three tax professionals can appear on behalf of the taxpayer. I already told you three professionals means one is enrolled agent, second one is CPA, third one is tax advocates. only these three people have the right to appear before IRS officers on behalf of the taxpayers if any issue arises. Nobody else can handle these matters. So sometimes regular communication is required between taxpayers and income tax department. That matters also can be handled by these tax professionals on behalf of the taxpayers. Now coming to the examination structure. Actually, this course I already told you, course name is SEE, Special Enrollment Examination, but popularly known as EA, Enrolled Agent. In this total syllabus is only one subject, only one, that is income tax. Even though subject is one, but IRS is conducting this examination in three different parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Entire income tax subject is dividing into three parts. Part 1 is individuals. Individuals means suppose one individual having any salary income or interest from bank deposits or rental income from any house property, any dividend income from is the shares held in different companies. Here, there is no business, only individual person need to file tax return, need to pay tax amount if he is having the taxable income. So to handle only individual person income tax matters purpose, syllabus is designed is part 1. Title of the part 1 is individual income tax. Coming to part 2, a partnership firm or company or any trust like that entities or any entities having any business income, those entities are also required to submit the tax returns. They need to pay tax amount also if they are having any taxable income. So to business matters, tax return preparation, filing, payments, compliance, every business related matter is covering in part 2 syllabus. Part 3. Basically, our course name is EA, means enrolled agent. Agent means any person acting on behalf of the another person. Now coming to our story. Suppose one taxpayer having some tax matter issue with the IRS, means income tax department. So that taxpayer can handle is a matter directly with the IRS. As I already told you, sometimes because of lack of knowledge or because of lack of time or because of any fear, that is the reason that taxpayer can approach another professional. That another professional must be either enrolled agent or CPA or tax attorney. That taxpayer can, I already told you, cannot send any of his family member, any of his friends, or any other person. So only tax professionals can represent that taxpayer. That is the reason this professional person representing taxpayer before the IRS. That is the reason this person is technically called agent. Agent means acting on behalf of the taxpayer. Now coming to the enrolled. What is the meaning of the enrolled? As I already told you, any person cannot casually represent before the IRS. IRS is maintaining one register. That register containing the professionals. Professional means either CA or CPA or EA or tax professional, tax lawyers. this register will be maintained with the IRS. Suppose I already completed EA. I already enrolled with the federal government of the US. So my name is already registered. My name is already enrolled with the federal government of US. So I am enrolled with the IRS. I am eligible to act as an agent on behalf of the taxpayer. That is the reason the course, the profession, the person name is called enrolled agent. Just we are having the 3 papers, part 1, 2, 3. Even though we are having the 3 parts, these 3 parts no need to write in the sequence. First you have to write part 1. Next you have to go for the part 2. Finally you have to write the part 3. This sequence is not required at all. At the option, at the choice of the person who is going to write the examination, he can write any paper first. Sequence is not there. And one more special point. In this course, lengthy descriptive paragraphs no need to write. And heavy problem solving is not involved. So it is very simple examination, easy to pass. It is only MCQ based, system based MCQ system, not the paragraphs, not the stories, not the heavy problem solving, simply MCQ based examination. And one more important point. Once the writing the examination, no need to wait for the longer period to get the result. On the spot, result will be shown on the screen itself after completion of the examination 3.5 hours. Regarding the examination duration, main examination time allowed for each paper 3.5 hours. Some procedures are there. Once the examination is completed, how the exam center, how far it is from the railway station, how far it is from the airport, whether hall ambience is maintained in good condition, whether they are providing the water and AC and fans are properly working in that examination hall. To feedback purpose, another half an hour is given. Main examination for each paper, only 3.5 hours. Finally, as I already told you, who conducts this examination? This examination is not conducting by any university. It is not conducting by any board like a 10th class board or intermediate board like that. It is not conducting by any board. Suppose you are going to the CPA course. The CPA course will be conducted by one separate board. That board is going to conduct the exam and issue the certificate, etc. Whereas in the case of the enrolled agent, this certificate will be issued directly by the federal government of US, Department of the Treasury, means nothing but Finance Ministry. Even though exam is being conducted by federal government, certificate also being issued by federal government, the examination conducting procedure is being handled by PSI Services LLC. Last year, it was conducted by Prometric. From current year onwards, that current conducting organization has been changed by IRS. Now onwards, this examination organized by PSI Services LLC. This exam will be conducted throughout the world. In India, up to last year, exam was conducted only 3 centers. One in Hyderabad, second one is in Bangalore, third one is in Delhi. from current year onwards, examination centers increased almost in every state, in every capital city going to be conducted. Before writing up the examination, we have to book the slot. Actually, generally, any university course or any 10th class, like once in a year or twice in a year, some specific time slot will be there at the end of the year or middle of the year. But whereas in the case of the EA examination, around the year exams will be conducted. Whenever you are comfort to write the examination, happily you can book the slot, you can write the examination. In the year, only in 2 months exams will not be conducted, only in the month of the March and in the month of the April. Except 2 months, though, rest of the year, around the year exams will be conducted. Any person wants to write this examination, first they have to enroll with federal government. That registration process is technically called PTIN. PTIN means Preparer Tax Identification Number. First, we have to register with the federal government. We have to get the registration number. That registration number is technically called PTIN. For obtaining of this PTIN, one identity is required. Either it can be passport, or it can be Aadhaar card, or it can be voter ID card, or any other valid government ID proof is allowing by the IRS government to register the person.
Hello, I have a question here.
Yes, yes.
So what is it generally the passing percentage for years? I mean to ask, I mean in 10
Sir,
appeared
let
students.
me, sir, I am coming to that point. Let me, more than 75%, sir. We are asking about the scoring of the marks or overall pass percentage of the candidates.
I'm asking about the passing percentage of the candidates.
More than 75%, sir.
Is it the case in India, or you're talking about USA? Yes.
No, throughout globe.
Okay. How about India? Any approximate number?
Yeah, for India, sir, like because it's very new, right? Very few people there in the market. Hardly 2,000 enrolled agents are there in the India as of now, right, sir?
Yeah.
Only 2,000 enrolled agents are there. I guess so. Very few people aware about that. Who are already chartered account, who are practicing, those people are also very few people aware about this enrolled agent. So we don't have an exact figure how many people paid and how many people are passed for a particularly India, because we have a statistic data from entire IRS examination, but not particularly from India.
Country-wise.
But I will try to make it figure it out proper information as of now, how many written and how many people completed by tomorrow's session. You can join tomorrow's class, and tomorrow's class I will try to get the data.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. Thanks for the information.
Mahesh, actually, if your candidate got 65%, like 52 or 60%, what happens?
Yeah, if you got 35% in your 10th class mathematics, so what happens? Same, sir. Okay, we will discuss that part also. Let me finish the SAS class.
Let them finish. Yeah, let them.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, to write the examination, our procedure is just eligibility is 18 years. No need to have any 10th class and intermediate and degree certificates are not required. Any person can write this exam, can become professional. First, we need to get PTIN number with the proper ID proof enough. Then we have to prepare for the examination. Then book the slot for writing up the examination. Take the examination, get the EA certificate. This is the sequence to be followed. Now coming to examination fee. First, we need to get a PTIN. For getting up the PTIN, $18.75 need to be paid along with application. Then examination fees will be $317. Up to last year, it was only $267.
Sorry
the
to
current
interrupt
year,
in between, if you can convert into rupees.
around 95 rupees, sir.
Yeah, today's cost we can see, sir. Maybe it's around 95 rupees for each dollar. USD to INR, let me check right away. 95 rupees 64 price, sir. That means $317. Let me figure it out.
So almost 1 lakh.
Yes.
318 rupees.
Exactly, sir. You are right. Sir, for each paper, $317 each paper and into 3 papers. So total around 951 plus 18.75 for PTIN.
Altogether, it's $951. And yeah, you can proceed.
Sir, coming to the duration. Actually, there is no fixed duration for this course, sir. If you are enough knowledge in the subject, you can write tomorrow itself by applying the by payment of examination fees. So what we suggest, we are not expecting any extraordinary candidate to pass this course. Average student is more than sufficient. This course can be understood very easily. Each and every point will be covered in the classroom itself. This is not required any other subjects knowledge, just the common sense knowledge is more than sufficient to understand, and only requirement, the candidate must be in a position to read the sentence and understand the sentence in English. That is sufficient. The EA course duration depends on the time spent by the student. Suppose one student is completely dedicated to this course only. He is not going for any job. He is not sharing his time for any other courses, totally dedicated to this course. Then all 3 papers can be completed within the short span of the 6 months. Each paper can be completed in 2 months into 3 papers, max 6 months. Suppose candidate is not able to dedicate total time to this course. He is suppose working. He can spend only 2 to 3 hours in a day. And he is also doing any other course apart from this. So he can give only 3 hours. We want definitely 2 to 3 hours a day is sufficient. In that case, instead of 2 months, the candidate can complete the course, each paper around 3 months and 3.5 months, so that it may run 9 months to maximum 12 months. This is the course duration. Now our institute will support you. Our institute will support students in 5 important areas. One is we are going to provide classes. We are offering both online and offline. We are assuring that you won't find any question in the examination which is not covered in our class, which is sufficient to pass the examination. Our classroom itself is more than sufficient to complete the course. And whatever matter covered in my class, same material will be given to every student. Just we are expecting from the student just to revise. No need to by heart anything, because there is no lengthy paragraph. There is no lengthy problem solving. Simply whatever explained in the classroom, at the time of explaining the classroom itself, what is the expected question we are going to explain in the classroom itself, that is going to be seen in the examination. So every teaching part we are going to take care up to sufficient level of the examination. And just before the examination, we are also going to revise the entire syllabus within the short span of the time. And we are also support for slot booking for the examination. One more important point, for every examination, we are going to pay $317. The fees amount shall not be wasted. That is the reason. After completion of our coaching, we are going to assess the student, whether he is capable to write the examination at that moment or not. If we are not satisfied with his performance in any particular chapter, any particular area, we recommend and we advise the student to wait for another 1 week, wait for another 10 days, so that your fees will not be wasted. Once we are satisfying about the performance of the student, we advise the student that happily you can go for the examination. In that way, we are going to assess every student before applying for the examination. Once the course is completed, how to prepare the resume which is suitable for the particular job. JD preparation, we are going to take care. And the interview preparation, we are going to take care. And we are also giving the job assistance. Coming to our teaching methods, we are offering both offline class and online class. And we are also going to give revision support. And apart from that, we are having our own LMS system. LMS system means that exactly in the same way of the main examination, our system is going to give the questions. You can practice every chapter number of times. Suppose after completion of our classroom, student will be in a position to answer minimum 50 to 60% of the answers correctly. There is a chance of missing up the 40% of the questions. After that, once my class is completed, even though you are in a position to handle 60% of the questions on the same day, after my class, exactly same material will be given to the student. What is covered in my class? Simply, we have to revise it. Once you are revising the same material at the same day, on the same day, the student will be in a position to answer 80% of the questions correctly. Still, there is a chance of missing up the 10 to or around 20% of the questions. Again, that questions and that confusing areas will be clarified to the student clearly. Then student will be in a position to 100% questions in the examination. In that way, we are going to we are making the student to prepare the examination. And about our material, generally in the open market, any other book will be in the form of the paragraphs. Because of the paragraphs, it is going to take much time to read the material, understand the subject. Even it is also difficult before examination for revisioning. So there also, again, it is going to take too much time. That is the reason we have developed our own material, each topic logically developed. Instead of writing in the form of the paragraphs, bullet point wise we have developed. That is the reason, if a particular material in the paragraph, suppose it is going to take 10 hours, the same matter in our material going to be completed within the 20% of the time. Means instead of 10 hours, it can be completed only in the 2 to 3 hours with accuracy. When we are studying the paragraphs, even though student is paying total attention, still there is a chance of the understanding of some important points. It shall not be happened. That is the reason that matter also we are converting into point wise. Once the point is clearly read by the student, no need to put much effort to interpret and memorize, etc., etc. It will be easy to handle the examination.
Yeah. Now, guys, you have any questions? It's my turn.
Sir, Mahesh, actually, what is your fee structure?
Yeah.
Without
Course
except fees of exam
from
fees?
KSR point of view, the course fees will be 35,000 for all 6 months duration. Okay. It will take us
Okay.
6 months, 2 months for each paper we are categorized. It's not mandatory to 2 months, but we designed like a 2 months for each paper so that we can able to make the pass percentage maximum. Before
Okay.
going to actual session, we will try to some test papers before going to actual paper because it's costing $300 in the sense it's not easy amount. Almost 30,000 we are spending for each paper, right? So that's the reason we are focusing on am I audible, right?
Yeah. Please tell.
Yeah. So that's the reason we
30,000
are
is for the
focusing.
whole course or 30,000 is per paper that you're talking about?
No. Our course fees will be for all entire course 35,000.
For all 3 papers.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, but exam fees will be different, right?
Okay.
Yeah. That is individual amount, right?
Yeah, individual amount for exam. Course fees will be together only. This is the total costing only for the IRS, which is we are going to be pay for a federal government directly. There is no institute or else no organization, no any company can recognize you as a enrolled agent. Only federal government. Federal government in the sense it's a similar like our central government.
Okay. So, but Mahesh, thing is that someone got 65%, someone got 75%, someone got 90%. Is there any difference between them for companies consider that?
No. Clearing only here I may important, not like how much percentage. There is no logic in that. Only
What is the
clearing.
passing percentage of each paper actually?
Okay, so first paper will be very easy. On average, more than 70 to 80% people will clear easily. But second paper is a
No,
business
what is
model.
the passing percentage actually required?
That's what passing percentage I'm saying. Average passing. Okay, score you are asking?
Exactly, yes.
Okay.
It is a percentage system, sir. It is very confidential. It is not revealing by the IRS. And one more special point, in each paper, 100 questions will be given. All are multiple choice questions. Even though 100 questions are given, entire 100 questions are dividing into 2 parts. One is experimental questions 15 and the scored questions are 85. Means that whether you are correct or wrong will be valued only for 85 questions. Balance 15 questions, whether you are writing correct answer or wrong answer, it will not be valued at all, not for deciding passing or failing. Reason is that those are the experimental question. How candidates are responding in these areas. For that knowledge purpose, 15 questions are experimentally given by the IRS. 85 questions are only required to be answered.
Yeah,
But there will be some passing percentage, right? For example, see,
so
for
passing
100%,
percentage, particularly they are
35
not giving. I will tell you, sir. There is exactly around 800 score range will be there, 200 to 800 in between. Out of that, you need to get at least 500. Then only they will consider as a pass percentage. Here, what sir said, right? Pass percentage, some questions will be more weightage, some questions will be less weightage. We don't know which question is a more weightage. Example, question 1 will be 20 marks, question 2 might be 30 marks. You got it right?
Okay.
Okay, that's the reason we are not giving there is a complete confidentiality. They are maintaining which question they are giving more weightage. They are not informing us. Finally, after completing the test, by submitting the button, the next minute it will show you are cleared or not. How much percentage you got it also, they will tell you.
Percentage will not be shown.
Okay, yeah. So the cleared or not, you will get to know immediately within a minute, I guess, right, sir?
But one analysis will be given. Suppose the total 6 chapters are there in paper 1. Suppose how you are strong in chapter 1, how you are weak in chapter 2, like that some analysis will be given, but the marks will not be given clearly. This is very confidential.
So is it the same format globally or is it only about the exam?
No. It's a globally. We are writing into the US only directly. There is no any system not auditing in India, sir. It's directly with the federal government. Only one system is monitoring. They are not given to any authority to any Indian people or else any Indian company. Only writing the exam in the authorization only. Their pass percentage, what they are giving question. There is no authority for anyone in India.
System based.
Yeah. It's completely online based system based only. There is no, you are not going to be write the paper. And one more thing, there is no mathematics here. You are not going to be calculate tax how much.
No accounting, no mathematics.
Yeah, those kind of things not there here. Yeah. Any other questions, team?
Sir, you told. Hello, sir. You told about 200 to 800. Within that, we have to get 500. Is it like what is that?
Yes, sir. The
Okay,
score is 500, candidate is pass.
okay.
Otherwise fail.
So the total maximum marks is 800, right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
For each paper, 800.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions?
How many attempts it will be?
Each paper can be attempted 4 times in a year. Each
Okay.
paper, not all three.
Within only one phase or another?
Within one cycle, sir. One cycle year means April to.
Yeah, one cycle a year in the sense within 1 year, right? Like from April to March, we can consider. So in this 1 year, you can able to try to 4 times each paper.
That is very costly matter, sir.
Yeah, we can't spend that much actually.
No need to write once and more than sufficient. Will be clear.
Sir, can you repeat the total maximum score and the cutoff score, sir?
800, sir.
Cutoff mark, sir?
500.
So negative marking is there, sir?
No need to box.
All are multiple choice questions only.
Okay, after exam completion, what will be a hiring process? How will be hiring process?
Yeah, you will get the certification immediately, like within a minute. Once you submitted, you will get the score there.
Download.
Yeah, we can download there itself.
Okay, after that, how to hiring positions it will be taken, like how to do our jobs.
How to do? You are asking about job market or?
Yes, job market. Market.
So here one more thing. Exam is important but not mandatory. Without exam also some people are getting placed, but their package is very low. Like they are considering as an initial entry level accountants or something, associates. Those people will get a 20,000, 30,000. I guess some people are there in the last session. Someone joined in the same way. He was already working as associate and trying to prepare for this exam. Any guys are there in this class today?
No.
Anyone are there? Even yesterday, one of a known person got a certification and he updated their enrolled agent.
I have one question. How are you going to help in freelancing?
Freelancing, like example, like any of your friend working in US, sir, now? Your friend, known people, example I'm asking.
I might have some mutuals.
Yeah. So just check with them how they are paying their tax every year.
Okay.
Check with them. 100% they are paying from India only, with the Indian auditor only. No one is dare to pay from America because their cost is too much in India. Maximum $30 to $50 for each person. Depends on how much their taxation, everything they will calculate, right? So maximum $50. More than that, they are not doing that.
So what is the salary package we can expect after the course actually?
The average package will be like we can consider as a 6 lakhs, sir, minimum 4 to 6 lakhs. Depends again your capabilities also.
4 to 6, sir.
4 lakhs to 6 lakhs, sir. Fresher package. Average package.
Very low here actually.
So, fresher, Shravan, how much you got as a fresher? 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs for 1 year. This is a fresher package. It's not about for the experienced people. Fresher package. How much you got, sir? You are working currently?
I am working actually.
Okay, how much your fresher package, sir, when you got your first job?
My fresher package was around 4 lakhs only, but right now I'm drawing around 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
So you mean
Again,
to say
that's what it's for a fresher, I said.
No, you mean to say this source is not appropriate for the experienced candidate, right?
No. I said this is for a fresher package. I said experience again depends on that. 20 lakhs people, 30 lakhs people also is there, sir. Freshers point of view, I'm saying to you. How much a fresher can get. This is the 3 papers actually we are going to be right. Okay, up to
No,
70
sorry.
lakhs people can be able to get the package with the CPA. After that, the enrolled agent will get up to 30 lakhs in India. After that, if you are completing this US taxation like the CMA or CPA, right, you can able to get up to 70 lakhs package in Indian market, I said. So we can't give the highest package simply who got 1 or 2 people like they got 30 lakhs, you also will get it. I said the least package, the 4 to 6 lakhs will be the least package. Yeah, sir, average students will get, you can check it in a LinkedIn and before choosing any course, you can check it in LinkedIn and Naukri who are already working. Example, this guy is working as an enrolled agent in Thomson Reuters. If possible, try to connect with him. I given just an example, no need to connect with particular one person. Randomly, you can check with a couple of people. You can see who are pursuing, who are already completed and working. Check with them how this course
So
is
are
there.
these your students?
No. These are not our students. I just checked it randomly, sir. These are not our students. I just went to the LinkedIn and checked for enrolled agents. So there, who are the people are there? I'm just showing to you.
So generally,
Sir, apart from the theoretical coaching, like what about the practical thing, like how to file the returns, what are softwares to be used?
Yeah, those and all we are going to be guiding you here. There is not heavy softwares and all. We are guiding you how to apply in a filing in a tax. Everything we are going to be connect in a real time scenarios only, not just in a textbook or else like basic teaching, sir.
Will it be covered in this duration itself, like in the coaching?
Yes, within this duration. You are clearing one test in the sense you are technically should be strong with all the skill set. Then only you can able to clear one test, sir.
Right. What form to be filed and what software?
Yes, everything.
That is part of our syllabus only.
Also, example, I will tell you one small thing, sir. What are the options in India to get the taxation, reduce the tax? Example, you have an insurance, maybe you can showcase as a tax benefit. Example, you have a house loan, maybe you will get some tax benefit, right?
Yeah.
Similar way for American government and American sector also, we have different options. One example I will tell you, in American government, right? If anyone adopt a person, you know, right? Like adopting, you are aware, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Indian government will have a very strict rules for adopt any person like who are abandoned people or something. It will be very strict here. America, there is a chance they can adopt, and for adopting that people, they will get tax benefit.
$16,750.
16,000 for each kid.
Okay.
Yeah, they will get tax benefit, and some cases government will pay them actually for each kid.
Okay.
So these kind of laws, like local laws, we are going to be discussing.
Filing of the documents.
Yeah. So we are going to be discuss all the things, sir. First paper, as a sir said, it's completely individual tax filing. Example, Shravan getting around 10 lakhs package salary now. Out of 10 lakhs, how much he can need to pay tax? Is there any chance to reduce the tax paying for the government? This is the first paper. Second paper, example, KSR is an organization. KSR having multiple business models. Maybe they are running one software company. How much tax KSR need to pay? How much tax is there any possibility to reduce by getting in India, example, we got a Startup India recognition. So 1 year or 2 years, we have a tax holiday. Similar kind of what are the other benefits are there, and these people are going to be work with them as much as they will try to reduce the tax paying for the government.
Not only reducing of the tax, but also complaints of the
Yeah, exactly. So without any complaints, example, like I try to make some avoiding tax, right? It shouldn't be any make complaints for the company, right?
Yes.
Those things these people will going to be take care. And third paper will be called as a representation.
Right.
Okay, suppose in the case of the individual, sir, we need to submit one form 1040.
Right.
Suppose 1040, it is having the 38 points, sir.
Okay.
We need to fill all 38 points. That is nothing but the completion of the process.
Okay.
To understand each point, we are going to develop as a separate chapter.
Achha. Okay.
So once you are proficient in each point, you will be in a position to automatically fill and file the documents.
Okay.
Apart from our teaching, we are going to fill all the forms. You will be in that position.
Okay. So
That
where we
only-
come to know everything, like what are the
Yes, sir.
scenarios where
That only-
each point to be filled.
Yes,
for
sir. That only you are going to handle at that in the job.
Understood, sir.
So that care we are going to take, sir. You will be perfect on the subject.
Okay.
That we are assuring you.
So like in India, like ITR 1 and ITR 4 can be filed online in the income tax login itself. In the same way, we can file in the US returns also, sir. Like,
Exactly, exactly.
okay, understood.
Actually, in America, and some people are still filing paper filing in exceptional cases. But 95% online only.
Okay,
That
so will it
5%
be,
only very exceptional cases.
so will the site will be accessed from India also, like filing
Yes,
form?
yes, yes, anywhere from.
Okay, understood.
Sir, I have one
Actually,
question.
just a moment. In part 1, you are going to learn each and every point of the individual tax matters, and part 2 about the business matters. Part 3 is completely about the procedures, how to fill the form, where to get that form, whether online or offline, when you have to go for the online, when you have to go for the offline, under certain circumstances. All
Okay,
these
yes.
will be, that syllabus itself is complete procedure. You will be in a position to handle practically after completion of the third paper. As
Okay.
Mahesh sir said, 4 to 6 lakh is a very basic pay. Suppose one paper only completed, that person also can get around 30,000 in the beginning. Suppose all 3 papers are completed, the salary begins at 60,000 to 70,000. Once 1 year or 2 years experience, then definitely he is going to reach around 15 to 18 lakh.
Okay.
So main advantage will be like a demand supply issue, team. As per market's requirement, we have very less people in the enrolled agent. Maybe here first time hearing most of the people, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So very few people are aware about this, and this is the time we can enter into this market. You know, the current IT situation, right? So there are too much competition, because in BTech also 90% students are computer science only. Ultimately, the computer science, data science, AML, or else cyber security related to software jobs only. We are completing BTech 80 to 90% of the colleges, right? Even anyone completed in mechanical, civil, electronics also, they are coming to the IT again. So in that competition, we have a better opportunity. And one more thing, there is no chance to update frequently in this. If any law is need to update, in the sense the central government to need to go to the parliament, they have to be amended that law. It will take too much time for that. So once any laws is there here, changing the laws is very difficult, either in India or else US government. There also will have a parliament. I guess they say something different.
Every year, central government changing just a percentage of the taxation, tax rates. Similarly, there also.
Exactly.
But a complete law will not be changed every year.
Yes, that's what.
Yeah, what is a job designation? It will be mentioned in
Tax
Naukari's
consultant, yes, tax analyst, these kind of designation we will get, sir.
tax consultant. Is there
Tax
any
consultant.
particular
Tax manager.
education background it will require, or any graduation
Sir,
it will be?
how you are strong in taxation, that's all.
No.
Okay.
To purchasing means not required, Nikhil. Because we are completing this test, right? The test itself significance, you are confident or else you have knowledge on the tax analysis. So there is no
I'm
particular
the passed
background.
out of 2022, and my PG is MBA HR, sir. I'm completed.
Okay.
So
You
now I'm
can
working as a
you can
HR.
happily let. Okay. So which
Yeah,
company you are
EY.
working, Nikhil, currently?
No, I'm working into EY, sir.
EY. I guess EY have a lot many opportunities. You have to be in, tell us, Nikhil. Even I am looking for some HRs from EY.
Okay.
So did you observe these kind of jobs in EY or not yet?
Not it right now, but we are enrollment some of insurance agents. Some of
We
like
can check it
US,
today, and maybe we can discuss tomorrow session. You can join tomorrow session. You only have to inform how many openings is there in EY for enrolled agents or US tax consultants.
Okay.
Yeah, one small query from me actually. Can I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, as you know, this is an era of AI. I just want to
Hmm.
know how enrolled agent will be impacted by AI.
So this AI effect. Doctors and these lawyers and these enrolled agents can't replace completely with the AI, sir. There are person is near, his signature is required to file in a tax. AI can't file the tax directly. AI is there even for the doctors also. Now robotic surgeries is there. Even today I saw in Yashoda Hospital, they are conducting AI in healthcare. There is a seminar they are conducting. AI can enhance, it can't replace them. But in IT sector, some works, particularly it's a very low skills rate, those kind of works replacing by AI. But this enrolled agent can't replace with AI.
Okay,
This is the tax filing, right? Every individual person tax, they have to be verified. They have to check where we can reduce. Maybe we can use AI to know the subject easily, but can't replace.
okay. Thank you. Thanks for your confirmation.
So is it regarding the patent fees? Do we need to pay prior to the examination fees, or else how it will go?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Sorry, sir.
Have a patent fees, right?
It's like a registration number, sir. Once one time you need to get it, then you are eligible to enroll and write the exam.
Okay,
Yes.
before enrolling the
Yes. You have to. Yeah, that is the reference number they will use. Yes.
Okay.
PTIN, yes.
Yeah, PTIN, right?
Prepare a tax identification number, PTIN. It is nothing but the identification of the candidate with IRS.
Okay.
With that number only, you need to write the examination.
Okay. Before the So before booking the slot, I think we need to apply for this PTIN.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
So
one
I
more
have-
query. Can we
Hello?
appear for 3 exams in a single month?
Sorry, sir.
If we want to appear for an exam for three exams in 1 month, can we do that? Is it
In 1
possible?
month, yeah. If you complete
Yeah.
a total session, yes, you can able to. Before going to
Okay.
actual exam, right? Try to make it at least 2 to 3 test papers, like sample papers.
Okay, so sample test papers will be given by you, right?
Yes. I will take care.
Maintaining LMS. You can write any number of times
Yes.
before going to take main examination.
Yeah.
So that you will be in a position to comfortably write the main examination.
Since this is your first batch, I mean, I just wanted to ask you how
Shravan,
confident
let
how
me
confident
explain
are you
again.
in?
Shravan, let me explain again. First batch for me, not to the trainer.
Yeah,
First
understood.
batch for a KSR institution, it's not for the trainer. He was into the field around 20 years. He was already taking sessions in another college as well. So it's not a new for him. Only the environment for Hyderabad location, for me, it's a new. He was taking from the long back.
Got your point. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
So actually, I
hello.
joined in the middle of the session. So let me ask you one question. Like,
Yes, Shant.
so how the course is going to be useful for a student who has no knowledge in the accounts, and the student and the person who are having different domain knowledge and in different domain experience.
Yeah. So this one also we informed initially. It's not about what your graduation, what is account knowledge, and what you have. Everything we are going to be take from here completely from the scratch.
Okay.
If you know basic communication skills is sufficient. That not mean like a 2 + 2 = 4 also you know to be in learn or something, but we will take care from here very basics, only basic communication skills, whatever the trainer is going to be explaining in English, right? If you are able to understand, that is sufficient. He can able to explain in English, Hindi and Telugu as well, but if you have a basic communication skills is fine.
Okay.
The doubts and all maybe we can discuss over the Telugu and Hindi. Okay.
And one more question, like, is it a work for a student who have 10 years gap from the education?
Yes. This is the main target business point of view. I will tell you, Shanti, right? Your name?
Yeah.
Why I particularly chosen this course, and I requested sir to take the classes in the KSR Data Vision. In a IT sector, I am facing multiple challenges who had a career break. Honestly, after career break, getting a job is literally impossible when we are going genuinely without any faking the experience. I can't make any promise for my students stating like without fake experience, you will get job easily.
Okay.
But faking the experience, let me finish. Faking the experience, again, difficulties, even their sustainability will be difficult. And even though the BGV is very strong, right, nowadays.
Yeah.
So after getting placed during the BGV, if they lost the job, again, it's another painful condition.
Yes.
So I am looking for the alternate option. Then I got to know enrolled agent. Currently, demand and supply issue is there. Very few people available in the market. And by 2030, we are expecting around 1 lakh employees need only from India.
Okay.
These projects are moving to India now. How the long back software jobs are moved to India because of cheap labor. Honestly, like, the word maybe looks like harsh for you, but the reality will be why American and European countries, they move their projects to India. We will work for very less price.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
and
same way these taxation things also now slowly they are moving to India. Currently, very few people, hardly 2,000 people only there, the certified enrolled agents in India.
So, and I have one more question. Like, suppose one of my cousin is a 10 years education gap, and suppose if he want to join the course and he completed the course, so his experience will be zero, right?
Yes.
So
yes,
he
yes.
need to start from the zero experience, and he need to start
Yes.
applying for the jobs for the zero experience, not
Yes,
for
yes.
not by
Yes.
faking the experience.
Yes. That's what the intention here. Here you are ready to work for the less package also, 6 lakhs. Prepare for that. Don't expect like a 10 years experience. I need a 20 lakhs package. After that, you need to go for a marriage and to get a good. Okay. So don't expect, don't take me wrong, because I'm expecting those kind of people who had some other different reason. They got some career break. After that, they are learning some courses and they are faking the experience, and they're expecting the package also more than 15 lakhs. Those kind of things not possible here. We will try for as a job as a fresher. And that gap will be no need to be worry about the career break in this particular course. Other all IT courses in KSR, I can't make a promise. Even with the break also, you will get job easily. But only enrolled agent, we have an option for now.
Okay.
So Mahesh, so if anyone is facing PF issues right now because of the background check and everything, how it will help for them?
Yeah, BGV thing again, maybe it is strict, sir, because what happening, these big fours, particularly this will be the banking finance related projects, right? Even in the IT sector also, when you got in a banking and finance related projects, they will do double verification.
Yes, correct.
So in that case, at this moment, I can't make promise. I will check with the HRs. Is there any chance at this time? Career gap, yes, I am sure 100% there is no worries. But you have a dual employment history. You absconded from some other companies.
Yeah.
Those may be a problem because your PF history will show how many companies you worked earlier.
Yes, correct.
So that too, these are a finance and banking related things, right? Those may be a little strict about that.
Okay.
Because all their company accounts are given to you. You will get to know where they spent, what is their profits and loss, everything you are going to be handle that one.
Yeah, they are checking CIBIL also.
No. CIBIL they won't check here. They are not giving any loan for us, Nikhil.
No.
I have a question
Some
to
banking,
Rakesh.
some banks are inquiring CIBIL also right
Uh-huh.
now for taking
So
employees.
banks, what happened? I understand this one. Even I got to know about this because you are handling the amount. Depends on your CIBIL score. What kind of person you are? They are assuming. Like example, you taken loan and you didn't pay, and your CIBIL score is low. So that means when you are handling the cash from that particular bank, there is a chance you may loot. Just their bank point of view. You take a loan, you didn't pay the loan previously. Loan means like they are assuming how to handle the cash for you. The cash transaction, particularly in the bank sectors in India. This one, we are just a documentation only. We are not handling any of their tax. We are not getting access to their bank accounts or transactions. We are just checking their transactions. We are maximum handling their tax paying. That's it.
Sir, can I ask one question, sir?
Yes, Bhargav.
Sir, currently I am working in people management activities, Flipkart Minutes as a fleet coach role, sir.
Okay.
Any possible to shift my
Yes, your
profession
current
into
package,
software side? 25K per month, sir.
25. Yes, you can learn, sir. Easily you can fit.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a question to RK, sir.
Yes, sir.
RK, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, basically being a practicing chartered accountant, like how this enrollment, like how this certification will help us being chartered accountants.
You are talking about practicing. Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If you are having any connections with the US people,
Yes, sir.
You can get connected with CPS and practicing ES.
Okay.
Those people are also searching for who are able to provide service from India. You need to connect them.
Acha. Okay.
That
Okay.
way. In
So
India, so many chartered accountants have already started this procedure. They are doing.
Understood.
Yes.
will KSR help us in freelancing on this?
Yes. with
Sir,
our
I have
known
a question.
consultancies. And also there is a site called Upwork, guys. Fiverr
I
and
didn't get.
Upwork.
I didn't get you.
Upwork. Do you know about Upwork? There is a site called Upwork.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
check it in Upwork also. You can able to find this EA tax filings. All Indians who are staying in America, right? All Indians, they are filing their tax from India only. No single person can get a support from America directly. All those people are they're filing their tax from India. Once you enter, you will get that connection. So slowly you can able to make that as a part-time business for you.
Hello, sir. I have a doubt.
Yes, similar kind.
Actually, yesterday I connected to some person in the LinkedIn, like who cleared or who are awaiting for enrolled agent license. So they are telling the hiring is slow and it is somewhat full or something they are telling like that.
Yeah. So hiring, maybe they are assuming the particular duration, like some duration, right, out of the year. January to April, the hiring will be very huge. After that, it will January to April, in between these 4 months are very huge.
Huge. Okay.
After that, it will be slow because January to April, what happened? We need to file the taxation there.
Yeah. Okay.
At that time, it will be very huge. After that, it will go a little slow.
Slow means like how is hiring like numbers, maybe numbers.
Numbers we can't figure it out because less people
Yeah.
are there. Pawan, I'm not sure like what context they say, but very less people are there. In you can ask her there. Did she completed the paper or not yet? She or he?
He completed. I think he's waiting for the license, and one is doing some internship or something like that.
That's what maybe. That's what they said. Like once they got a certification and license, they can able to do the task, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So I just want to ask you one question. Like, suppose I have PF issues. Okay. So I just want to start from zero experience. So will that works?
Zero experience also still.
I mean, like I want to start as a fresher.
You are ready to do the fresher, but still your PF will shows. When the company is taking your PAN number, they will get to know the PF history also.
Oh, okay.
So from there, they may be consider again. They will ask like, why you didn't inform before? Completely career break, yes, 100%. I will make sure you will get a calls and jobs. But this PF issue, overlap, dual employment, absconding, it's a similar kind of issue like how IT employees will face.
Okay.
Okay. So example, let me share my screen again.
Okay.
Someone asking like, what about freelancing? I'm just checking while I'm discussing with you. I'm just checking in Upwork. You can see there are a couple of people per hour. They are charging $40, $20. Some people $100. This is a called Upwork. Enrolled agents. I'm looking. I search for some enrolled agents. So these people are available now.
Okay, this is okay. My question is like, so there are two companies I worked earlier.
That's what Shanti, overlapping, absconding.
There is no overlapping actually. There is no overlapping. There is no absconding. There is no issues with the PF, but there is showing like two companies only. So suppose if I want to start it as a EA, so there will be no issue.
No issue. Yeah. In that case, no issue. So you are just changing to the different domain. That's fine.
Yeah,
that's fine. That's fine. If you worked for some other domain earlier and now you want to enter into the enrolled agent, it's absolutely fine. There is no worries for that. Who having this only overlap issue only maybe can be have to be double check it. Rest is fine.
Okay.
Sir, what is that overlapping thing?
Sorry?
What is the overlapping thing? Means I did not get like
overlapping in the sense some people they will work for two companies same time.
Okay.
It's happened during the COVID. Most of the people did a 2 jobs, 3 jobs, 4 jobs also at a time.
Yeah, moonlighting.
Yes. Some cases what happened, they didn't get a relieving letter immediately. The other company is forcing them to join early. So 10 days before only they joined another company before getting their last working day. That is maybe 10 days, 15 days. Still it's considered as a overlapping.
Oh, okay, sir.
This has happened with a couple of students. I am just connecting with them frequently. So even in my LinkedIn also, sometimes they will book the slot and they will come to me, right? So I observed a couple of cases. The new companies there, that's fine. You can get the letter, that experience letter. That's fine. You have to be joined here as early as possible. At that time there is no issue for them. But what happened before getting relieving letter here, they joined the new company.
Yeah. Okay.
Just 10 to 12 days only, but still it's showing as a overlapping.
Okay. So yeah, got it. Yes. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the coaching fees, sir? Hello. What is the coaching fees, sir?
Coaching?
For all three parts, it's around 35K, sir, or?
Yes, yes. Training course will be 35,000, all 3 paper together. Exam fees will be separate. Okay.
Hello.
Hope it's clear. Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, I have a small query.
Yes, please.
Yeah, please suggest me whether I could join or not. I am actually
Yes, please.
pursuing my CA final group 2. I am in group 2. I have completed my CA final group 1 in the year of 2020, and currently I am doing my LLB in third year. I am in third year of my LLB. Could it would be beneficial for me to do EA?
It's a more beneficial because corporate lawyers also very important nowadays. Even previously, when I am observing one enrolled agent job at JD, they particularly mentioned LLB is a preferable additional add-on that for that position particularly. So you have a multiple skill set along with your CA also, right? So it will be helpful to you for sure.
Okay, but I have a career gap of nearly 5 years. I have completed my CA final group 1 in 2020, and from there I have the gap of 5 years. So it would be beneficial.
Yes, that's what this particular I explained again, right? Why we chosen this course particularly for career gap people only who had a career break. Again, how to enter into the job market, particularly IT kind of companies. You are not into the IT, but again, these are big four companies. Your work will be looks like an IT employee only, right? That's my main intention.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions, Steve?
యాక్చువల్లీ మనకి ప్రాక్టికల్ ట్రైనింగ్ లా ఉంటుందండి, లేదంటే ఓన్లీ థియరిటికల్ ట్రైనింగ్ లా ఉంటుంది ఇది?
సారీ మల్లికార్జున,
యాక్చువల్లీ మనకి ఇప్పుడు
చెప్పండి.
రియల్ కేస్ స్టడీస్ కానీ లేదంటే మాక్
ఉంటేనే కదా మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ పాస్ అవ్వగలరు.
అదే సార్, అలాంటిది ఉంటుందా?
అదే సో ఆ రియల్ టైం కేస్ స్టడీస్ ఏమీ లేకుండా జస్ట్ నేను ఏదో రోజు ఇలానే వెర్బల్ గా చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతున్నామంటే అవ్వదు కదా. సో ద రియాలిటీ మనం ఏమేమి ఉంటే అందులో వాళ్ళ లాస్ ఏంటి, ఆ లాస్ ని మనం అర్థం చేసుకున్న తర్వాత టెస్ట్ ఉంటది కదా. సో రియల్ టైం కేస్ స్టడీస్ ని వీటన్నిటిని మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం క్లాస్ లో.
అలాగనే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సంబంధించి ఉంటుంది సార్, ట్యాక్స్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేసే ట్యాక్స్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్.
సో ఇది ఐఆర్ఎస్ పోర్టల్ సార్, దీనికి హెవీగా ఏమి ఉండదు, డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ లాంటిదే ఉంటది. దీనికి మళ్ళీ మనం అకౌంటింగ్ కి టాలీకి
సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్ కంప్లీట్ టు కంప్లీట్.
టాలీ లాంటివి ఇక్కడ ఏం అవసరం ఉండదు సార్ మనకి ఈ లెవెల్లో.
టాలీ కదండి, అది టర్బోకి సంథింగ్ వేరే ఉంటున్నాయి కదా.
ఫైలింగ్ పర్పస్ సార్.
అవును సార్, అది ఏమైనా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కానీ అంటే కొంచెం
అదే లేదండి. సపోజ్ యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ లా, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ టు జస్ట్ ఫిల్లింగ్ అప్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఓన్లీ సార్.
ఓకే సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ ఎల్ఎల్బి గ్రాడ్యుయేట్. యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు ఎల్ఎల్బి కూడా ఉంది. సో అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉంటుందా సార్ ఈ టాక్సేషన్ ఇలా నేర్చుకోవడం వల్ల?
ఎల్ఎల్బి ఉన్నంత మాత్రం ఇది స్పెషల్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏం కాదండి. జనరల్ గా
జాబ్ మార్కెట్ గురించి
మేనేజర్ కేటర్ ఈజీ అదర్ స్కిల్ గా ఉపయోగపడుతుందండి.
యాడ్ ఆన్ కింద ఉపయోగపడుతుంది సార్, దీని వల్లే మెయిన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ కాదు కానీ యాజ్ అన్ యాడ్ ఆన్ అంతే.
దాంతోపాటు మనకి ఈ కామర్స్ అని చెప్పేసి ఇంకా అకౌంట్స్ అనే దాని గురించి నాలెడ్జ్
ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం ఈజీ అవుతుంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు దీనికైతే ఏం అవసరం లేదు కానీ సిపిఎస్ సిఎంఏ ఉన్న వాటికి మాత్రం వాటికి క్రెడిట్స్ ఉంటుంది ఖచ్చితంగా. బీకామ్ ఎంకామ్ కామర్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లేదంటే ఎంబీఏలో ఎకనామిక్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి మాత్రం ఎక్కువ ప్రయారిటీ ఇస్తారు. ఈ కోర్స్కి ఆ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. అది ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి మేబీ కొంచెం ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తుంది అంతే, అంటే కామర్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎకనామిక్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి.
ఓకే అండి. సో సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మన ఏ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ పొజిషన్ అంటూ ఏమన్నా వేరే ఉంటుందంటే మీరు సిఎంఏ సిపిఏ సంథింగ్ చెప్పారు,
అటు సైడ్ చూసుకోవచ్చు సార్.
లేదంటే ఇందులోనే ఉంటే ఏమన్నా మనకి గ్రోత్
అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేసింది ఇందులో ఇండియన్ మార్కెట్ లో ప్యాకేజ్ మాక్సిమం 25 lakhs సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓన్లీ ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మన రెగ్యులర్ కోర్స్ ఐటీ కోర్సులో తీసుకున్న ప్రతి టెక్నాలజీకి ఒక సాచురేషన్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మేము పవర్ బి అనే కోర్సును తీసుకుంటే 30కి మించడం చాలా కష్టం సార్.
సో మనం ఇక్కడ ఉంటే గ్రోత్ అనేది ఉండదు కానీ బట్ జాబ్ అయితే ఉంటుంది.
గ్రోత్ ఎందుకు ఉండదు సార్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఒక 3-4 years ఈఎంఐ చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ సిఎంఏకి వెళ్తే అందులో ఈఏ ఉండే సబ్జెక్టే సగం ఉంటుంది అందులో. సిపిఏలో వెళ్తే సో దాన్ని మీరు సిపిఏకి అప్గ్రేడ్ అవ్వచ్చు. అది ఏ టెక్నాలజీ అయినా సరే, మనం ఒక టెక్నాలజీ నేర్చుకొని ఐటీ మార్కెట్లో అయినా లైఫ్ లాంగ్ అందులో ఉండామంటే ఆ పరిస్థితి లేదండి. ఇంతకుముందు ఒక 4-5 ఏళ్ళైనా ఉండేది, ఇవాళ 4 నెలలు కూడా ఉన్నట్ల, రేపటికి మారిపోతుంది ఈ రోజు ఉన్నది.
ఓకే. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
సో ఇంకా ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ టీమ్?
హలో సార్. After
I have one
completion of
question.
classes,
Sorry?
class is complete అయినాక డౌట్ సెషన్ డైలీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా సార్?
Yes, sir. And also you can ask a doubts irrespective of class. We will going to be create a separate WhatsApp group for the people who are enrolled for this course. There you can raise your questions.
Sir, class timing ఏముంటుంది సార్?
Same time, sir. It should be like 10 to 12 o'clock, 2 hours every day.
Okay.
And anyone available in Madhapur, Hyderabad or Kukatpalli, you guys can come to office also in Hyderabad. It should be offline and online hybrid mode. The same class going to be streaming online, and who are available in the Hyderabad, you guys can come to office as well.
Okay.
Anyone available near to Madhapur in Hyderabad here? No, Nara?
Hyderabad.
Sir, one part complete opportunities.
Yes, sir. That's what's our goal also. We are not going to be write all the tests. We are learning all the
Sir,
classes.
I'm from Uppal, sir.
Okay, fine, sir. So we are focusing to complete the course all together. But once you completed one test at least, right? After that, you are going to be apply for the job opportunities. Once you got the job with your salary, we can focus later, sir.
Okay. So Mahesh, I have a question. Okay. So are these classes will be conducted during the weekend or
No,
every
sir.
day?
Weekday, same class, Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday. What is the timing?
Same, sir. 10 to 12.
సో బేసికల్ గా ఎలా డిజైన్ చేశారు సార్? అంటే పార్ట్ 1 ఫస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఇండివిజువల్
Part 1,
టాక్సేషన్,
sir.
దాని తర్వాత బిజినెస్
Part 1 first, part 2 తర్వాత, part 3 later.
పార్ట్ 1 క్లాస్ అవ్వగానే we can write an exam like if we are confident.
Exactly.
Okay.
సార్ వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ కి ఎలా డిజైన్ చేశారు సార్ మరి అంటే క్లాస్ టైమింగ్స్?
అయితే ఇదే టైం ఒకటే ఉంది సార్. మీరు కుదిరినప్పుడు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు లేదంటే ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ షిఫ్ట్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే లైవ్ లో అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. మిస్ అయిన ఎవ్రీ క్లాస్ మీకు రికార్డ్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఏదైనా ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం సార్, ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ కూడా. మీకు ఎవ్రీ సెషన్ రికార్డ్ ఉంటుంది. 10 to 12 అనేది డిజైన్ చేసాం టైమింగ్ ని. మీకు క్లాస్ రికార్డ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈచ్ సెషన్ విల్ బి రికార్డెడ్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు వాక్ త్రూ విత్ ద క్లాస్.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi Saujanya.
I live in Dubai. Actually, this course, if I learn, how is the job market in UAE?
Yeah, Dubai at this moment I can't make any promise, ma'am, honestly. In Dubai we have students, but in the IT side, even there also the market will be fluctuating, depends on the situation. So India I can able to help you, and US you can able to get a job. From Dubai only freelancing tasks you may do easily.
Okay.
Jobs I'm not sure. I will do some research on Dubai market.
Okay.
Freelancing you can handle, but I'm not sure any companies are running from Dubai also for these big 4 companies. India, they are aggressively hiring. We just got some information about that. Next couple of years, they are focusing to get a maximum projects for India, for these enrolled agents because of the less price.
Okay. So part 1 పే చేసిన తర్వాత మనం ఒకసారి ఎగ్జామ్ అటెండ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి దాంట్లో స్కోర్ కరెక్ట్, అది పాస్ స్కోర్ రాకపోతే మళ్ళీ రాయొచ్చా సార్, లేదంటే మళ్ళీ ఫీ పే చేయాలా?
మళ్ళా కట్టాలి, ఫీజు కట్టాలి మళ్ళా.
ఓకే. సో ఈచ్ అటెంప్ట్ పే చేయాలి.
ఈచ్ అటెంప్ట్ పే చేయాలి. వాళ్ళకి అందులో మనకి ఏమీ ఫెసిలిటీ ఇవ్వట్లేదు. ఈచ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పే చేయాలి, ఈచ్ అటెంప్ట్ పే చేయాలి. సో దానికోసమనే ముందు శాంపిల్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్ రాద్దాం 2 to 3 times. సో అందులో మీకు కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఉన్న తర్వాత రాయొచ్చు. బట్ ఫస్ట్ పేపర్ చాలా ఈజీ అన్నమాట.
ఓకే.
సెకండ్ పేపర్ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్, అంటే జనరల్ గా పాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ చూసినప్పుడు. బట్ ఫస్ట్ పేపర్ ఈజీ చాలా.
Okay, what is the fee structure of the paper level? Okay, I mean you said the total
$317,
fee.
sir. $317 for each paper. Same cost for each paper.
Okay, 317. Okay, including
$317.
taxes. Okay.
All together. And $19 will be like a PTIN number. That costing another $19. Altogether, it's going around $951, sir. Nearly 95,000 rupees in Indian currency. 90 to 95,000 rupees.
$957, clubbing all together.
All 3 papers together. Entire process.
Okay, so only one attempt is available. Okay, see, I applied for the account receivable and accounts payable examinations from the IOMA. So they have given 2 attempts. Okay, I paid
Accounts receivable, I
$365.
don't think so. Need certification is required. The records report, procure to pay, accounts receivable. There is no
Yeah, we
certification.
did it. I did it from the IOMA from the US. Okay, and they took $365 and they gave 2 attempts. Okay, that is also multiple choice questions, but there is no negative marking. Pass percentage is 85%. Okay,
That's
but the
maybe
thing is,
IOMA, some different organization. I'm
yeah,
not sure.
yeah,
This is
yeah,
for
yeah.
a central government of America. It's a federal government.
Okay, so here we only have 1 attempt. So there is no chance of second attempt. We can
Yeah, we
without
need to
paying the
discuss
fees.
with the Trump sir for this. We don't have any other option. So because it's controlled by Trump only.
Got it.
If you ask Trump, he will again put a restriction on something like that.
Yeah, yeah, he will say like no projects to India again.
Yeah.
మహేష్ గారు ఈ ఎల్ఎంఎస్ యాక్చువల్ ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటుందని మాకు కోర్స్ అయిన
సో
తర్వాత
మనకి
ఉంటుందా?
జనరల్ గా
అయిపోయిన
నేను ఏ కోర్స్ కైనా అది 1 year పెడతాను సార్. 1 year తర్వాత మీకు మళ్ళీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అంటే వీ విల్ కనెక్ట్ ఓవర్ ద కాల్ రీజన్ తెలుసుకోవడానికి. సో ఇంటెన్షన్ ఏంటంటే విత్ ఇన్ 1 year యూ షుడ్ గెట్ ప్లేస్. ఆఫ్టర్ 1 year కూడా అవసరం అనుకుంటే వీ విల్ ఫీల్ ఓన్లీ 2 reasons. 1, వీ ఫెయిల్ టు టీచ్ యూ వెల్, యూ ఫెయిల్ టు లెర్న్ వెల్. ఐ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ రీజన్ ఇయర్. అంటే తెలుగులో అంటే రీజన్ ఏంటి, మీకు విత్ ఇన్ 1 year లో జాబ్ రావాలనేది మా ఇంటెన్షన్. ఒకవేళ రాలేదు, ఏదైనా రీజన్ ఉంది అంటే ఓవర్ ద కాల్ డిస్కస్ చేసి ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తాం. దానికి ఏం ఛార్జెస్ ఉండవు.
So you're going to help.
As a lifetime.
Course validity extend చేస్తారా సార్?
Yes, we will extend your course validity. We can consider as a lifetime, but initially should be 1 year. I just need to understand any reason you didn't get placed within this 1 year. Is there need any more support from our side, or else did you completed the entire course or not? Example, I will tell you a couple of scenarios. On average, every day I will get at least 2 to 3 emails for course extension. At that time, if possible, I will connect with the student. What happened this 1 year? Did you got placed or not? Some cases they will say, no, Mahesh, I didn't get placed. I didn't complete the course properly at the time. Now I have a free time. I will do. I will extend again. I will inform them, okay, once you completed your classes, please get back to me. I will prepare your resume. Some cases, yes, I got a job, but I didn't get a chance to work on all the things. Only I got chance to work on one particular parameter. So now I want to apply for another job. I want to refresh again. Example, in this case, no, Mahesh, I got a job, but at that time only worked for an individual tax filing. Now I am looking for another better opportunity. Want to recheck again entire course. Yes, I'm happily, I will share the extend the course. Maybe I will take some feedback from you at that time. What happened? How the job market? Any openings in your company? So to interact with my students, I will use this one. Or else after course completion, they won't get back to me, right?
Yeah, sir. But hiring process is the exam is mandatory or without
Not
exam also
mandatory,
there is?
sir, but to get a better package. Actually, without this exam also, there are people are working, but their package around 25 to 30,000 in Indian rupees. So who completed at least one paper, they are getting 6 to 7 lakhs. Who completed 3 will get a 9 lakhs, sir.
Okay. So apart from
What about software, sir? Drake software, CCH.
Sorry, sir.
సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్ వీటికి, ఆ డ్రెక్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కానీ సిసిహెచ్ కానీ అలాంటివి
వీటికి అంత హెవీగా అవసరం లేదు సార్ యూసేజ్ చేయాల్సింది.
క్లాసెస్ అయినాక ఏమన్నా ఉంటుందా సార్ దీని గురించి?
మనకి ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ మీద ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్
సార్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో ఫర్ అవర్ ఓన్ ప్రాక్టీస్, దెన్ దోస్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్.
ఎస్ సార్.
Sir, irrespective of your education, all graduations are eligible now?
Without graduation also, sir, because here IRS exam is more important than your graduation. Even +2 diploma people also can be eligible for this.
Can understand.
Hello, sir. Sir, teaching generation.
One more thing, team, someone asking about IOFM, right? This is not a government body; it's an institute only. Similar like a KSR, we can consider.
Hello, sir.
You are paying 80 to 90,000 for that exam, sir. Okay, yeah, Pawan, tell me, sir.
How many days a week, sir?
Sorry, sir.
Classes how many days a week?
It takes 6 months, sir, total. Monday to Friday, 5 days a week, 6 months total duration.
Sir, paper 1 around it requires 110 hours, sir.
Okay.
For paper 2 around it requires 130 to 140 hours. And paper 3 around 80 to 90 hours.
సార్ అన్నిటికన్నా పేపర్ 3 చిన్నది కదా, అది కంప్లీట్ చేసినా కానీ జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉంటాయా సార్?
లేదు లేదు పేపర్ 3నే పెద్ద సబ్జెక్ట్ అది.
Sir, paper 3 about procedures. Unless you know the principles, you can't go for the fill the form. Then it will be only clerical work without having the knowledge of filling. It is a typing work. So first you should know the principles, procedures, application of sections.
సో మీకు ఇంకా
That
సింపుల్
will
గా
be covered in
చెప్పాలి,
the paper 1 and paper 2.
సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే పేపర్ 1 పేపర్ 2 లో ఉండే ఏదైనా ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటే రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి పేపర్ 3 వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు సార్, లైక్ మనకి లాయర్ లాగా.
Yes, sir.
సో అది రావాలంటే మీకు పేపర్ 1 పేపర్ 2 తెలిస్తేనే మీరు పేపర్ 3 లెవెల్ ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలరు. అది రిప్రజెంటేషన్ మెయిన్. అంటే ట్యాక్స్ లో ఏదైనా మనకి అప్పుడప్పుడు క్వరీస్ వస్తాయి కదా ఇక్కడ ఇండియాలో కూడా, వాటిని వీళ్ళు రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తారు.
ఓకే.
Sir, even though law can completed, before appear before court and court judge, some procedures are there. So that is covered in part 3 mainly. Instead
Sir,
of
how
covering
long the recordings are available, sir? Like if you miss the class, like
Yes, each session will be recorded. Even this class will be
Yes,
available in the our
completely
LMS. sir.
personal.
అంటే ఎన్ని రోజుల వరకు అవైలబుల్ ఉంటుంది సార్ అది రికార్డింగ్?
1 year ఇనిషియల్ గా సార్, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 year ఆల్సో మనం ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తాం మీకు ఎన్ని రోజులు కావాలంటే అన్ని రోజులు. ఇనిషియల్ గా 1 year అనే రీజన్ ఎందుకంటే మీకు 1 year లోపు జాబ్ రావాలనేది మా గోల్ సార్. లైఫ్ లాంగ్ ఉందంటే రేపు చదువుకుందామని అనుకుంటాం సార్, మనం జిమ్కి పోయినట్టు.
సార్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోర్స్ అదే ఫీ, ఆన్లైన్ కూడా అదే ఫీ?
ఫీజ్ సేమ్ సార్, ఆన్లైన్ అయినా ఆఫ్లైన్. ఆఫ్లైన్ అయితే ఇంకా పెంచాలేమో, బట్ అవసరం లేదు సార్, మనం సేమ్ ఫీజే చేద్దాం.
సార్ ఫీ ఒకసారి పే చేయాలా, ఏమన్నా ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ ఆప్షన్ ఉందా సార్ మనకి?
ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం సార్, 2 ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్స్ అలాగా ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సార్ ఆన్లైన్
When you are going to start the classes?
It's already started sir, today only.
No,
So-
I mean the actual classes.
No, it should be actual class only sir. Tomorrow and next 5 classes will be free. Tomorrow onwards technical content only we are going to be deliver. So you can check all the 5 classes once meeku idi comfortable anipiste. So guys, all Telugu only? Any other people also there?
Yeah, Telugu only.
Telugu, sir.
All are able to understand Telugu, right guys, in this session?
Yeah, yes.
తెలుగు కూడా చెప్పించండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
తెలుగు only, ఓకే. సో మీకు రెగ్యులర్ క్లాసెస్ రేపటి ఈ రోజు నుంచి అనుకోండి, రేపంతా టెక్నికల్ టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయి నెక్స్ట్ 5 క్లాసెస్. సో మీకు 5 క్లాసెస్ అర్థమయ్యి బాగా చెప్తున్నారు, ట్రైనర్ చెప్పే విషయం బాగానే ఉంది, మీకు మన మీద కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది అంటేనే మీరు ఫీజు పే చేయొచ్చు. రష్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈ లోపు మీరు కూడా కొంత రీసెర్చ్ చేయండి. ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ ఏంటి, ఇందాక ఒక స్టూడెంట్ చెప్పారు తన ఆల్రెడీ వర్క్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళతో చెక్ చేశానని. మీరు కూడా లింక్డ్ఇన్లో చెక్ చేయండి, వర్క్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళతో టచ్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. సో మార్కెట్ ఎలా ఉంది, జాబ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అనేది మీరు కూడా కొంత రీసెర్చ్ చేసిన తర్వాతనే మీరు ఫర్దర్ కంటిన్యూ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ గ్రో అవుతుందండి, చాలా తక్కువ మందికి తెలుసు. ప్రస్తుతానికైతే మార్కెట్లో అవైలబిలిటీ తక్కువ ఉన్నారు ఆ లైసెన్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు. సో మనకి వన్స్ లైసెన్స్ వచ్చిందంటే లాంగ్ రన్లో ప్యాకేజ్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒక 30 years బ్యాక్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఇండియాలోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఎలాంటి స్టేజ్లో ఉందో ఇప్పుడు ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ అలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్లోనే ఉన్నాం మనం.
Early bird advantage.
అండ్
ఫైల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ లైసెన్స్ నెంబర్ వేయాల్సి ఉంటుందా సార్ రిటర్న్ లో? ట్యాక్స్ రిటర్న్,
సారీ
ట్యాక్స్ రిటర్న్ ఫైల్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు we need to put our license number in the tax return?
Yes sir, you will get a stamp. Literally it's like a government employee stamp sir. Yeah, sorry Harshit, I will explain again. Just they are asking like some doubts about the placement and what the market standards. So if you have any questions you may be asked, I will explain again.
Sir, P-TIN generation, every year we have to renew, right?
Yes, correct. December is the end of.
Oh, okay. Every year we have
December validity, sir. Every year you need to go for renewal.
Okay, so that is also one cost. And after that there is some, after exam there is some other cost, right? Any other thing?
No, sir. If you are going for employment, not required anything. Suppose you want to be in practice, then it requires once in 3 years you have to go for renewal.
Okay, sir. Okay. So for CPA వెళ్ళాలంటే బీటెక్ నుంచి we have to do some bridge course అలాంటిది ఏమైనా చేయాలా సార్ ఫ్రమ్ బీటెక్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్?
ఎవరు బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్స్ ఏం లేదు సార్. యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద అకౌంట్స్ కదా. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ యూ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ అనదర్ 2.5 years time to complete that course.
Okay sir. Okay, so we have to gain experience.
చేసుకొని అలాంటి కేసులు ఏం చేస్తారంటే బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్స్ లాగా ఏని నేర్చుకోండి.
ఏనే బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్స్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు సిపిఏ.
అదే సార్, అదే నేను రీసెర్చ్ చేసిన ప్రకారం లైక్ ఫ్రమ్ బీటెక్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో క్రెడిట్ పాయింట్స్ టు అపియర్ ఫర్ సిపిఏ ఎగ్జామ్, సో
Yes,
we have
sir.
to we need to do some bridge course, I think, right?
That's right.
Is it?
Enrolled agent can help you to get that score, sir, credits. Usually MCOM, BCom, or else MBA people will get some score. But BTech to MBA, those people also, I don't think they can get 180. 180, I guess, we need a score, right?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, some less. I don't know, but tell it, sir.
Okay, okay. So compared to that, enrolled agent, you can start with initially enrolled agent. Later, you can focus on your US CPA, sir.
Okay, sir. 2-3 years experience, sir. We can upgrade, I think.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
ఎగ్జామ్ స్లాట్స్ బుకింగ్ జూలై నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిందని మెన్షన్ చేశారు కదా.
Yes, sir. Actually, అమెరికాలో స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
సెప్టెంబర్ నుంచి కదా స్టార్ట్ చూపిస్తుంది వెబ్సైట్ లో.
యుఎస్ లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఇండియాకి ఇంకా లేదండి, ఎందుకంటే వెండర్ మారారండి. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ వరకు ప్రోమెట్రిక్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసింది. దిస్ ఇయర్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ పిఎస్ఏ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ కి మార్చారండి ఐఆర్ఎస్ వాళ్ళు. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఆ టెక్నికల్ అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ ఇంకా పెండింగ్ ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ఇట్ విల్ బి కమెన్స్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద మంత్ ఆఫ్ సెప్టెంబర్. In US already started for July onwards.
Yes. స్లాట్స్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి సెంటర్స్ ఉంటాయా సార్ సెప్టెంబర్ నుంచి, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ మన హోమ్ సెంటర్స్ మనం?
లేదండి, సెప్టెంబర్ నుంచి ఉంటాయండి. ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళు ప్లాన్ చేసింది జూలై నుంచి, కానీ అది టెక్నికల్ గా కంప్లీట్ అవ్వలేదు ఆ ప్రాసెస్ న్యూ వెండర్ కి. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ అదర్ దాన్ యుఎస్ పోస్ట్పోన్ టు సెప్టెంబర్. But in US from July.
Any more questions, team? Got any questions?
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Anyad.
Hi. So actually, I'm a practicing chartered accountant. So in future, I am having a plan of doing the practice instead of job with EA. So will there be any requirement of software for filing the returns?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you help anything with the regarding the software which would be beneficial for filing or anything?
Yes, we are going to be take care about that too. But it's not a heavy. We are just users. We are not going to be developed. We are no need to be learn very heavily. Like how much the skills we need on Word or Excel, ma'am. It's the maximum that kind of.
Yeah. So in India, through the income tax portal, online and offline, we can file the income tax returns, right?
Yes.
In US, is there any online website or is there a compulsory requirement of software?
Yes, sir. Online website is there of the federal government.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Any questions?
ప్లేస్మెంట్ అంటే మీరు అంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూ కాల్స్ వరకు తెప్పిస్తారు, వీ హావ్ టు క్లియర్. దట్ ఇస్ రైట్.
నేను అక్కడ క్లియర్ చేయలేను కదా సార్, నేను వెళ్ళలేను.
అది కాదు సార్. సో ఆపర్చునిటీస్ యూ విల్ బ్రింగ్ లైక్ మాక్సిమం.
సార్ నా తెలుగులో కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఎందుకు నేను ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ తీసుకున్నాను. డేటా విజన్ కంప్లీట్ గా డేటా అండ్ ఏఐ మీదే ఫోకస్ చేసి ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ తో సార్ని ఎందుకు తీసుకొచ్చాము అంటే, ఈ కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్న సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కొంతమంది ఎవరైతే నాన్ ఐటీ అండ్ ఏఐ సైడ్ ఈ ఎరాతో ఉన్న భయం వల్ల కొంచెం రిలాక్స్ మోడ్ లో కావాలనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళని ఫోకస్ చేద్దామన్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ డీవియేట్ అయ్యి ఈ కోర్సుని మేము చూస్ చేసుకున్నాం సార్. పర్టికులర్ గా ఈ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఈ ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేకుండా దాన్ని అవాయిడ్ చేద్దామని నేను చాలా ఇయర్స్ నుంచి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాం. మేము కంపెనీస్ ని అప్రోచ్ అవుతున్నాం. మా దగ్గర ట్రైన్డ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది. వాళ్ళు అంతకుముందు సీఏలకు ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి, కొంతమంది గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి కెరీర్ బ్రేక్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేశారు. వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రెషర్ శాలరీ ఇవ్వండి అంటే ఇంటర్లా అదే పర్సన్ ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుకుంటే అడిగి 15 లక్షలు 20 లక్షలు ప్యాకేజ్ ఇస్తున్నాం.
కరెక్ట్.
అది ఎథికల్ గా మేము అది చెప్పకూడదు స్టూడెంట్స్ కి, కానీ అలా లేకపోతే వాళ్ళకి జాబ్స్ రావట్లేదు. కొంతమంది బయటకు వెళ్ళేసి ఫేక్ పెట్టుకుని జాబ్ వచ్చిందని తర్వాత చెప్తున్నారు. కొన్ని కేసుల్లో వాళ్ళు స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతున్నారు జాబ్ వచ్చినాక. సో అది అవాయిడ్ చేయడానికి ఉన్న ఆప్షన్ లో నాకు ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ ద బెస్ట్ అనిపించిందండి.
అది ఓకే సార్, ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్. బట్ ఏమంటే బ్రింగింగ్ ద కంపెనీస్ టు ఫర్ ద ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అది ఎక్కువ
ఎందుకంటే వల్ల చెప్తుంది. అండ్ అల్టిమేట్ గా జాబ్ ఇప్పించడం కోసం దాని మీద రీసెర్చ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ కోర్స్ నేను చూస్ చేసింది. కాల్స్ రావాలి కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు కేఎస్ మేము ఇన్ని రోజుల నుంచి సస్టైన్ అయ్యి ఎందుకుంటున్నాము, మాక్సిమం పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ తోటి. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ కి జాబ్స్ వచ్చే కోర్సులే చూస్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఇప్పుడు మీరు బీటెక్ అన్నారు కదా.
అవును సార్, అవును.
ఏంటి బీటెక్ లో స్పెషలైజేషన్?
కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్. బట్ ఐ డిడ్ నో టీసీఎస్ లో వర్క్ చేసా, బట్ నాకు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఎక్కువ సపోర్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్
వర్క్ చేశారు
సార్.
ఏ డొమైన్ మీద వర్క్ చేశారు టీసీఎస్ లో?
అది అదే మెయింటైనింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ సపోర్ట్ అలా.
సో ఇప్పుడు వీటిల్లో కూడా ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా స్కిల్ సెట్ మారిపోయినప్పుడల్లా మేము కోర్స్ కరికులం కూడా మారుస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు డేటా అనాలిసిస్ తీసుకుంటే మేము ఫస్ట్ పవర్ BI బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు 45 days కోర్స్ డ్యూరేషన్. ఈ రోజు అదే కోర్సు 4.5 months.
4.5 months.
4.5 months ఇప్పుడు 45 days నుంచి 4.5 months కి ఎక్స్టెండ్ అయింది. డేటా ఇంజనీరింగ్ కోర్స్ ఒకప్పుడు 3 months, ఇప్పుడు అది 6 months అయింది.
ఓకే సార్.
తగినప్పుడల్లా ప్రతిసారి స్కిల్ సెట్ ని మార్చాల్సి వస్తుంది.
అదే టెక్ ఈజ్ ఎవాల్వింగ్ అంటే ర్యాపిడ్ గా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ బెటర్. ఇది ఏ బెటర్ కంపేర్ టు దట్.
అంటే ప్యాకేజ్ గురించి ఇష్యూ లేదు అనుకుంటే సార్. ఇప్పుడు మీకు 40 లక్షలు రావాలి, 40 లక్షలు రావాలి అంటే ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ కి హానెస్ట్ గా రాదు.
అవును, బట్ వీ హావ్ టు అప్గ్రేడ్ టు CPA, దెన్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ దిస్.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంటే అంత ర్యాపిడ్ చేంజ్ ఇందులో ఉండదు. అంటే ఐటీలో ఏంటంటే చాలా ఈజీగా చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇందులో లాస్ట్ కి సంబంధించింది అక్కడ ఫెడరల్ గవర్నమెంట్ లో వాళ్ళు పార్లమెంట్ లో పెట్టి బిల్స్ పెట్టి దాని మీద ఏదైనా చేంజెస్ రావాలంటే చాలా టైం పడుతుంది.
కరెక్ట్. అదే అడ్వాంటేజ్ కొంచెం.
ఐటీలో అలా కాదు. ఇవాళ ఒక కోడ్ రాసేసి ఏదైనా కొత్త టూల్ చేస్తే రేపు పొద్దున్న మార్కెట్ లో తెచ్చేస్తారు దాన్ని.
అదే ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్ కొత్త వస్తాయి, ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి. అదే ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
చాట్ జీపీటీ గూగుల్ ఎంతమంది వాడుతున్నారు? స్లోగా చాట్ జీపీటీ మూవ్ అయిపోయాం. కొన్ని ఇయర్స్ పాటు మనం గూగుల్ నుంచి బయటకు రామేమో అనుకున్నాం.
అవును సార్.
సో ఇవాళ గూగుల్ ని తగ్గించేసి చాట్ జీపీటీ మీదకి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం. అది అందరూ అంటే చాట్ జీపీటీ era ఒక 6-7 నెలలు కలిసింది. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ అది డౌన్ అయిపోయి క్లాడ్ లోకి వచ్చేసింది. రేపు ఇంకోటి ఎవడో వస్తాడు దానికంటే బెటర్ గా.
అవును సార్, వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. టెక్ ఈజ్ లైక్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్.
సో మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ సెక్టార్ ఇలాంటి గవర్నమెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ గా ఉండే సెక్టార్స్ లో చేంజెస్ చాలా స్లో ఉంటుంది సార్. మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ సెక్టార్ ఎందుకంటే ఒక మెషినరీ మీద చాలా కాస్ట్ పెట్టి దాన్ని మార్చేయాలంటే ఈజీగా అవ్వదు కంపెనీకి.
కరెక్ట్
ఏముంది సార్, ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంటే అయిపోతుంది, కాస్త ఇంటర్నెట్ ఉంటే చాలు అడిగి.
అవును. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఇంకేదన్నా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయా టీమ్ గైస్? లైక్ English also fine. Sorry. Yes. Bhargav, tell me, sir.
Sir, I have experience in quick commerce, 6 years experience, sir. నాకు ఐటీ వైపు కానీ నాన్ ఐటీ వైపు కానీ ఏ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేదు సార్. 0 ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. నాకు ప్రొఫెషన్ మార్చుకుందాం అనుకున్నా యూజ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్ మన ఎన్రోల్.
ఎస్ అండి. మీ ప్యాకేజ్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉంది?
3 lakh per annum సార్.
ఈజీగా సార్ మారొచ్చు అండి. 3 lakhs ఇవాళ ర్యాపిడో కూడా ఇస్తున్నారు సార్.
ఓకే, దాని గురించి
మంత్లీ కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటే జెప్టో ర్యాపిడోలో కూడా పర్ మంత్ యావరేజ్ 40,000 to 50,000 తీస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు కూడా. సో 3 lakhs నుంచి ప్యాకేజ్ ఈజీగా మూవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Any other questions for any different batch actually apart from this? అంటే ఆ బ్యాచ్ టైమింగ్స్ కొంచెం
టైమింగ్స్ ఇష్యూ ఉండిందా? So
actually I think most of us are working professionals only, right? సో అందుకే ప్లానింగ్ ఉందా నిజం అని చెప్పి.
ఫ్రాంక్ సార్, నేను ఇనిషియల్ గా బ్యాచ్ డిజైన్ చేసినప్పుడు కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళే ఎక్కువ వస్తారు. సో వాళ్ళకి టైం కంఫర్టబుల్ అని నేను 10 తీసుకున్నాను. ఎక్కువగా గర్ల్స్ ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళకి పిల్లలు ఉంటే స్కూల్లోకి పంపించేసి టైం ఫ్రీ అవుతుంది 10 to 12. అందుకని ఈ టైం డిజైన్ చేశాము. ఒకవేళ వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ ఉంటే ఇంకొక బ్యాచ్ ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం సార్. ప్రస్తుతానికి అయితే మీరు ఒక పని చేయండి, ఈ బ్యాచ్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి రికార్డ్స్ తోటి వెళ్ళండి మిస్ అయిన క్లాసు. సో మేబీ ఓవర్ ద 1 or 2 months లో నేను ఇంకొక టైం స్లాట్ ని ఈవినింగ్ 7కి అలా ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం.
కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత పేపర్ 1, పేపర్ 2, పేపర్ 3 రాసిన తర్వాత స్కోర్ వచ్చాక ఆపర్చునిటీస్ మనమే అప్వర్క్ లో మనం ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలా సార్?
అప్వర్క్ అనేది అది ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ కోసం.
సో ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ ద స్కోర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎగ్జామ్ తర్వాత ఎలా ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వాలి సార్?
అది జాబ్ నుంచి రెజ్యూమ్ బిల్డింగ్ నుంచి మేము చూసుకుంటాం అదంతా.
ఓకే, అంటే మీరు హ్యాండ్ హెల్డ్ సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తానంటున్నారు. హ్యాండ్ హెల్డ్ సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తానంటున్నారు.
సో కంపెనీ వచ్చేంత వరకు we will take the responsibility. సో కాల్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అనేది మీరు ఎంత ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారనే దాన్ని బట్టి ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని కేసులు ఇంటర్వ్యూ మనకి టెక్నికల్ గా చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉన్నా ప్యానల్ ముందు కరెక్ట్ గా ప్రెజెంట్ చేయలేకపోతే ఫెయిల్ అవుతాం. సో దానికి మనం మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి కొంత. వాటికి కూడా మేము ఏ ఇంటర్వ్యూ హబ్ లాంటివి కొన్ని టూల్స్ డెవలప్ చేసుకున్నాం మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ తీసుకోవడానికి. బట్ మన సైడ్ మీ సైడ్ నుంచి కూడా నాకు ఎక్కువ సపోర్ట్ కావాల్సి ఉంటుంది దానికి. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని కేసులు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇనీషియల్ గా ఉన్న ఉత్సాహం కొంతమందికి మధ్యలో డ్రాప్ అయిపోయారు అనుకోండి, సో ఆబ్వియస్ గా జాబ్ రావడం కూడా కష్టం అయిపోతుంది, క్లాసెస్ సరిగ్గా వినకపోతే.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
ఇంకే ఎనీ అదర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ టీమ్?
మాట్లాడారు.
చెప్పండి.
హలో, అదే గ్యాప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు పిఎఫ్ దీని దగ్గర ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది కదా అని చెప్పేసి.
పిఎఫ్ అంటే ఓవర్లాప్ ఉంటే సార్.
హలో, అంటే ఓవర్లాప్ కాదు. ఓకే, గ్యాప్ ఉంటే అంటే
గ్యాప్ ఉంటే కాదు, ఇది డిజైన్ చేస్తుంది గ్యాప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళ కోసం కదా.
అంటే ఆల్రెడీ అంటే
వర్క్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు గ్యాప్ అట్లా కూడా పర్లేదు సార్, అది ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. నీకు ఎక్కడ టెక్నికల్ గా 2 కంపెనీలో చేయటం లేదంటే అప్స్కాండ్ అవటం లాంటివి లేకపోతే అంతకుముందు వేరే చోట పనిచేసినా దట్స్ ఫైన్.
ఓకే, సో ఈ నార్మల్ గా గ్యాప్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. 2 years 3 years.
ఓకే,
ఓన్లీ ఓవర్లాపింగ్.
ఓవర్లాప్ ఉంటే కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది, కానీ ఓవర్లాప్స్ లేకపోతే నో వరీస్ సార్.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ప్రీవియస్ మన ప్యాకేజ్ ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైతే ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీద వస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళు ప్రీవియస్ ప్యాకేజ్ పెట్టుకుని దీని మీద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చూపించుకోవడానికి అవుతుందా, లేకపోతే ఎలా ఇది ఓన్లీ లేకపోతే ఫ్రెషర్ గానే వెళ్తారు?
ఎక్కువ ప్యాకేజెస్ ఉంటే వద్దు సార్, అది అవ్వదు. అంటే మోర్ దాన్ 10 lakhs 15 lakhs ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటే 15 lakhs ఉంటే కష్టం, కానీ సో అంతకుముందు ఉన్నది 3 lakhs 4 lakhs 6 lakhs లోపు అయితే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. అది అసలు జస్ట్ అంతకుముందు నాన్ ఐటీలోనే చేసాం లేదా వేరే డొమైన్ లో చేసాం, ఇప్పుడు మాత్రమే నేను కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేశామని చెప్పొచ్చు.
ఓకే, లేదంటే నార్మల్ గా ఇంకా అది తీసేసి ఆ ప్యాక్ అదేంటి ప్రీవియస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తీసేసి
ఎందుకంటే మనం ఎగ్జామ్ ఇప్పుడే కదా రాస్తుంది.
అవును,
దానికి దీనికి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఎక్కువ ప్యాకేజ్ ఆల్రెడీ 15 lakhs ఉంటే అలా ఉంటే మాత్రం నేను కూడా సజెస్ట్ చేయను ఈ కోర్స్ జాయిన్ అవ్వమని. అంటే మీకు ప్యాషన్ ఉంటే తప్పితే.
అంటే ఫ్రీలాన్సర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్, జనరల్ గా ఫ్రీలాన్స్
చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఎందుకంటే యుఎస్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి టాక్సేషన్
హ్యాపీగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆ 4 months ఫుల్ బిజీగా ఉంటారు. జనరల్ గా జాబ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు చేయలేరు సార్, వాళ్ళకి ఆల్రెడీ అక్కడికే సరిపోతుంది వాళ్ళ వర్క్. ఆ 4 months చాలా బిజీగా ఉంటుంది కంపెనీస్ లో. వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ చేసే అంత టైం కంపెనీస్ ఏమి ఇవ్వదు మనకి. సో ఎవరైతే ఆల్రెడీ సిఏలుగా ఇండియాలో ఉంటూ చేస్తుంటారో వాళ్ళకే అది ఎక్స్ట్రా అడిషనల్ బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది. జాబ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు
సింగిల్ పేపర్ క్లియర్ చేసిన
సారీ
సింగిల్ పేపర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇండివిజువల్ పేపర్ క్లియర్ చేస్తే మనం 4 to 6 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా గోల్ కూడా అదే అండి. ఫస్ట్ ఒక పేపర్ తో వెళ్ళి స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మనము జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మనకు వచ్చిన శాలరీలో నుంచి సెకండ్ థర్డ్ పేపర్ రాసుకుందాం.
ఓకే ఓకే
సార్, ఇది యూఎస్ బేస్డ్ అంటున్నారు కదా సార్, సో వర్క్ టైమింగ్స్ అన్ని నైట్ షిఫ్ట్స్ ఉంటాయా సార్?
మోస్ట్లీ సెకండ్ షిఫ్ట్స్ ఉంటాయండి, ఎందుకంటే ప్రతిసారి మన క్లయింట్ తో కూర్చొని మాట్లాడేది ఏమి ఉండదు. షిఫ్ట్స్ మ్యాండేటరీగా నైట్ షిఫ్ట్స్ అని ఏం లేదు. మాక్సిమం ఏదైనా మీటింగ్స్ అవి ఉంటే సెకండ్ షిఫ్ట్స్ వర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
సెకండ్ షిఫ్ట్స్ అంటే సార్
అంటే బి షిఫ్ట్స్ అంటాం మనం, అప్ టు 10 o'clock, లైక్ 2 to 10.
2 to 10 o'clock. సో ఇది రిమోట్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటుందా సార్ ఎర్లీగా, లేకపోతే వన్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
అన్ని జాబ్స్ లాగే సార్, ఏ కంపెనీ కూడా 100% ఆఫీస్కి రమ్మట్లేదు, ఏ కంపెనీ కూడా 100% వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ అని చెప్పట్లేదు ఇప్పుడు.
ఓకే, సో ఇంకో డౌట్ ఏంటంటే సార్, వీళ్ళకి ట్యాక్స్ అనేది పే చేసేది మనకైతే ఇక్కడ క్వార్టర్లీ ఇలా ఉంది కదా, సో యూఎస్ ట్యాక్సేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే ఎవ్రీడే జాబ్ చేయడానికి మనకి? సో ఇండివిజువల్ పే వెళ్ళినప్పుడు
అక్కడ కూడా అడ్వాన్స్ ట్యాక్స్ టీడీఎస్ ఉంటాయి కదండి.
ఓకే,
సో అక్కడ కూడా సార్ సేమ్, మీకు వినిపించిందా లేదు సార్ చెప్పింది. టీడీఎస్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎలా అయితే రెగ్యులర్ గా కంపెనీస్ చేసేది అది రెగ్యులర్ టాక్సేషన్ ఉంటుంది. క్వార్టర్లీ ట్యాక్స్ ఫైలింగ్, మళ్ళీ మంత్లీ.
అదే మనకంటే క్వార్టర్లీ ఉంటుంది కదా, అక్కడ కూడా అలానే ఉంటుందా?
క్వార్టర్లీ అడ్వాన్స్ పేమెంట్స్.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Any other questions? ఇంకేమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? Maybe if you have questions in English or Hindi also you can ask. Any Kannada also fine, I can able to answer.
Hello sir, I have one query. Is there any shifts in the jobs, or I didn't listen past when you are explaining? is there any shifts in the job or like
Yeah,
that?
that's what it's mostly maximum we can go for the second shift, like at 2 to 10 o'clock. Complete night
Okay.
shifts will be less. No need to be worried because we are representing for US people. There is no logic like completely night shifts. It's in a mixed. Maximum maybe US shifts you can do second shift. That means 2 to 10 o'clock.
Okay. And one more question. Yeah, if I finished part 1 exam clear or something like that, can I apply a job or
Yes, that's what the intention, ma'am.
attend the
So
interviews?
our goal also, exactly, our goal also, once you completed first paper, we are preparing for interviews paper, and you are not going to be write the exam for second and third until you get placed and got a job. We no need to be spend too much money on that. Once you got as a entry level package with your salary, we will pay for the second and third paper. But while learning, right, you have to learn all the 3 papers. We will keep in the resume, all the 3 subjects, but completed only first paper. This is our goal.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, any questions?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఈఎంకి ఒక ఎంట్రీ లెవెల్ గా చూడొచ్చా సార్?
Yeah, entry level సార్.
దీంట్లో ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ సస్టైన్ అవ్వచ్చు సార్? అంటే ఒక ఈఎం మీద మనం వెళ్తే
ఇయర్స్ అనేది సార్ ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఏ పర్పస్ అనేది మన గోల్ ఏంటి
అంటే శాలరీ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ శాలరీ కాకుండా మనం ఈఏ ఒక్కటి మీద
సార్ చచ్చిపోయేదాకా చేసుకోవచ్చు సర్వైవల్ అంటే. ఎందుకంటే ఇందులో ఏమి మనం కొత్తగా టెక్నికల్ గా చేయాల్సిందేం కాదు. మనం ఫ్రీలాన్సర్ గా ఉంటూ కూడా ఆ వర్క్స్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం ట్యాక్స్ ఫైలింగ్స్ ఇది. ఇప్పుడు లాయర్స్ ఎలాగా వాళ్ళకి ఏజ్ ఎంత ఉన్నా వాళ్ళు వర్క్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటారు. మీరు చాలా మంది గమనించి ఉంటారు పెద్ద పెద్ద ఏజ్ ఉన్న లాయర్స్. సో అలానే ట్యాక్స్ ఫైలింగ్స్ లో కూడా అంతే సార్. మన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ని బట్టి మన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ని బట్టి ఓన్లీ జాబ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ నుంచి అంటే ఎస్ ఒక సర్టెన్ ప్యాకేజ్ తర్వాత సర్వైవల్ కష్టం అయిపోతుంది. ఒక 20-25 తర్వాత ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ కి ఇప్పుడున్న ఇండియన్ మార్కెట్ స్టాండర్డ్ లో కొంచెం కష్టమే. అది దాటాలి మనకి ఇంకా ఎక్కువ గ్రోత్ కావాలి అంటే సిపిఏ.
అంటే సార్ ఇప్పుడు బేసిక్ గా మీరు శాలరీ ఎక్కువ కావాలంటే అంటున్నారా లేదంటే 25 దాకా
శాలరీ సార్ లైఫ్ స్పాన్ పరంగా అట్లా ఏమి ఉండదు సార్. శాలరీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ నుంచి ఏజ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెరిగే కొద్ది ఏమవుతుందంటే సార్ మన జూనియర్స్ మన ఇది జనరల్ గా ఉండేది ఓన్లీ దీనికని కాదు. ఇప్పుడు ఐటీ సెక్టార్స్ లో ఈ రోజు ఒక కాల్ వచ్చింది సార్. తను ఒకే కంపెనీలో 20 years నుంచి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. ప్యాకేజ్ 62 lakhs. ఒక 3 months బ్యాక్ బాయ్ చెప్పేశారు. సో అంతకుముందు ఉన్న వర్క్ ఫోర్స్ తన మేనేజర్ వాళ్ళంతా పర్లేదు. సో తను ఇప్పుడు వరకు సర్వైవ్ అయ్యారు. ఈవెన్ వాళ్ళ మేనేజర్ జాబ్ పోయింది, ఈవిడ జాబ్ పోయింది. సో ఇప్పుడు 60 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్ తోటి ఈవెన్ ఐటీ సెక్టార్ లోకి ఎంట్రీ కూడా అంత ఈజీ కాదు. ఈ లెవెల్ రేంజ్ దాటినాక మాక్సిమం రిఫరల్స్ జాబ్స్ ఉంటాయి కానీ నౌకరీ లింక్డ్ నుంచి కాల్స్ రావు సార్ జనరల్ గా. సో అలాగే ఇప్పుడు మనకు కూడా ఏంటంటే ఈ 20-25 వరకు పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. అది దాటాలి అంటే ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ తో సరిపోదు. సో సాచురేషన్ పాయింట్ అంటాను సార్ నేను ఈ టెర్మినాలజీని జనరల్ గా. సో ఏ టెక్నాలజీకైనా సరే ఒక సాచురేషన్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. టెస్టింగ్ కి ఒక సాచురేషన్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది, డేటా అనలిస్ట్ కి ఒక సాచురేషన్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. అలాగే మన దగ్గర ఉన్న స్కిల్ సెట్ కి అంతకు మించి ప్యాకేజ్ రావడం అనేది జనరల్ గా చూసినప్పుడు కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ మనం అప్స్కిల్ అవ్వాలి. అప్స్కిల్ అయితే సస్టైన్ అవుతాం.
ఫ్రీలాన్స్ కానీ ఇండిపెండెంట్ అయితే మనం ఎన్ని లైఫ్ లాంగ్ ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ అదే మన జాబ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ లో
ఫ్రీలాన్స్ కూడా సార్ ఇప్పుడు నాకు $100 పర్ ఫైలింగ్ అంటే మనకు ఎవరు రారు. ఎందుకంటే మార్కెట్ లో 20-30 చేసేస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు. సో ఈ లోపు మీకున్న నెట్వర్క్ పెరిగింది అనుకోండి, ఒక 100 మందికి చేయగలిగారు అనుకోండి, 100 into $50 సార్. సో అది మంచి అమౌంట్ అవుతుంది కదా మీకు. అలా 100 members కి మీరు కనుక ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ చేసి $50 తీసుకుంటే $5,000 సార్ ఇంటూ 95 rupees. ఒక ఇయర్ శాలరీ అయిపోతుంది 4,75,000 వస్తుంది. అందులో ఇప్పుడు ఇండియన్స్ ఎక్కువగా అమెరికాలో సెటిల్ అయిన వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు.
అవును సార్. అంటే మన శాలరీ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవ్వాలన్నా లేదనంటే పొజిషన్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవ్వాలన్నా కానీ మన సిపిఏ కానీ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ చూసుకోవాలి. లేదని అనుకుంటే కొన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఈఏ మీద ఉండి తర్వాత ఇండిపెండెంట్ గా ఫ్రీలాన్స్ చూడాలి.
సో ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే సార్ గ్లోబల్ టాక్సేషన్ ఓన్లీ యూఎస్ అని కాకుండా అంటే ఆ ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా యూరోపియన్ కి మీరు చేయొచ్చు అని కాదు. కానీ మీకు ఇండియన్ ట్యాక్స్ మీద అవగాహన వచ్చేసింది, యూఎస్ ట్యాక్స్ మీద అవగాహన వచ్చినప్పుడు గ్లోబల్ ట్యాక్స్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళడానికి కూడా ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. దానికి సంబంధించిన లోకల్ లాస్ మళ్ళీ నేర్చుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఒకసారి మనకి ఇది అలవాటు అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అక్కడ ఉండే మార్కెట్ ని దాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవడం ఈజీ సబ్జెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, కంప్లీట్ రాగా కాకుండా.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మన ఇక్కడ ఇండియన్ సిఏకి ఇక్కడ సిఎస్ కి ఇప్పుడు ఈఏకి సార్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే
లాస్ సార్ అంతే, లాస్ అంతే డిఫరెన్స్. ఇక్కడ మనకి జిఎస్టీ 18%, పెట్రోల్ మీద ఏదో పెరుగుతుంది, సిగరెట్ మీద ఒక ప్రైస్ ఉంటుంది. యుఎస్ లో అలా ఉండదు, అక్కడ ఉండే లోకల్ లాస్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఇంకొకటి స్టేట్ కి లా మారిపోద్ది సార్ అక్కడ.
కానీ మరి ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు సీఏ క్లియర్ చేయడానికి కానీ క్లాసులు కానీ చాలా ఇయర్స్ తీసుకుంటా ఉన్నారు. అంటే
ఇండియన్ లో ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది సార్. ఇక్కడ కూడా సిపిఏ సిఎంఏ కొంచెం కష్టంగానే ఉంటుంది. ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ ఈజీ వే సార్. ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ ఎవరైతే ఇప్పుడు మనకి టార్గెట్ ఎవరు అంటే ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ మేము అబ్జర్వ్ చేసింది కూడా సిఏ ఫెయిల్ అయిన వాళ్ళు టాక్సేషన్ లోకి రావాలి అనుకుంటే ఇది ఒకటి ఎంట్రీ పాస్ అవుతుంది మనకి ఈజీగా. అలానే ఇప్పుడు జాబ్ లో లేని వాళ్ళు, కరెంట్ గా కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఇది బాగా సూట్ అవుతుంది.
సో అంటే ఇక్కడ మన ఇండియన్ లాస్తో పోల్చుకుంటే మన యూఎస్ లాస్ అనేది కొంచెం ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అవుతుంది, ప్రొసీజరల్గా కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉంటుందన్న సార్ మీ ఉద్దేశం?
అలా అని కాదు. అక్కడ ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంది మనకి. ఇండియన్లో సిఏ కాకుండా వేరే దానికి ఆప్షన్ లేదు. జనరల్ గా వితౌట్ సిఏ వాళ్ళ కింద అసోసియేట్లుగా అకౌంటెంట్స్ గా పనిచేసిన వాళ్ళు పెట్టడమే కానీ పర్టికులర్ గా ఒక డాక్యుమెంటెడ్ గా వీళ్ళు కూడా చేయొచ్చు అనేది లేదు ఇక్కడ ఇండియాలో. బట్ యుఎస్ లో అలాంటి ఆప్షన్ ఉంది మనకి.
సో ఆప్షన్
అంతే. అవును. లాస్ ఈజీ అలా ఏం కాదు సార్. ఏ కంట్రీకి పాలసీ డిఫరెంట్ అసలు.
అంటే అదే సార్, అంటే ఇక్కడ మన ఇండియాలో
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకోకూడదు బ్యాంకుల్లో అసలు. ఏదైనా బ్యాంక్ లోన్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకోరు. వాళ్ళ హలాల్ లాస్ వేరే ఉంటాయి వాళ్ళకి కంప్లీట్ గా. వాళ్ళు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకోకూడదు అనేది అక్కడ రిలీజియస్ మ్యాటర్ అది. సో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కి బదులు కంపెనీలో షేర్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది సార్. ప్రాసెస్ కొంచెం ట్రికీగా ఉంటుంది అది. అలా. సో ప్రతి కంట్రీ
ఎన్ని మంత్స్ ఉంటుంది సార్ మీరు?
ఏది సార్?
ఈ పార్ట్ 1 మాత్రం ఎన్ని మంత్స్ ఉంటుంది సార్?
2 months పడుతుంది సార్. ఈచ్ పేపర్ మనకి యావరేజ్ 2 months పడుతుంది. అరౌండ్ 100 to 120 hours పడుతుంది ఒక్కొక్క పేపర్. ఓన్లీ మనం క్లాసెస్ అవర్స్ వైజ్ లెక్కేస్తే డ్యూరేషన్ అంటే 2 months ఫర్ ఈచ్ పేపర్.
అంటే ఈ 1 part కి పే చేసుకుని ఆ 1 part క్లియర్ చేసుకున్నాక తర్వాత 2 part అలా పార్ట్ కి వెళ్ళొచ్చా సార్? లేకపోతే ఒకసారి
అలా అంటే సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ లో రెజ్యూమ్ లో మాత్రం మీకు 3 parts మీద ఐడియా ఉందనేదే పెట్టాలి సార్. ఎందుకంటే ఇండివిజువల్ ట్యాక్స్ కంటే కూడా బిజినెస్ టాక్సేషన్ మీద జాబ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. మనకి నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు మాత్రం 3 subjects మీద ఐడియా ఉంది, బట్ పేపర్ మాత్రం ఒకటే కంప్లీట్ చేసామని పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. Any other questions, team? Hope we are good. So make a same link will work for tomorrow also. You joined today, right? The same link will work for next 5 classes. You can attend all the 5 classes and then you can take a decision. So after completing, what is the possibility? So there is no other possibility to apart from these 4 companies. 80 to 70% jobs are only for big 4s. So the maximum possibility you have to get a job in these big 4s only compared to other companies.
BDS, RSM, Grant Thornton, all these thousands of them.
Okay. So Harshita. Okay, Harshita. Yes, you can ask me in Kannada also. I can able to answer if you are there.
Maheshwar, hello.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah, Maheshwar, can you please share your contact number so that I can personally call you on the number?
Yes, it's there in the site, and you can call to our team and they will connect with me, sir, directly. You have our team numbers, right? I guess you are there in the WhatsApp group also. There also my contacts are there.
Yeah, I requested for a call back, but I haven't received it. I'll follow with them.
Yes, sure. Maybe we are in the session, right? That's the reason we didn't call you back, anyone. So after this,
please arrange a call for me, please. Yeah?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, team. Then we can meet tomorrow at the same time, 10 o'clock, 10 to 12 tomorrow session, and we are going to the technical subject tomorrow onwards. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, one question, sir. One question.
Yes,
sir, అది 35 split అవుతుందా సార్ 1 part కి?
అలా కాదు సార్. కోర్స్ అనేది మనం కంప్లీట్ గా నేర్చుకోవాలి. అది 1 time పేమెంట్ 35,000 అనేది కోర్స్ ఫీజు. మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ ఫీజు డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది, అది స్ప్లిట్ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ సెషన్ చూడండి సార్. ఫీజు అనేది సెకండరీ అనేది ఫీజు అనేది తక్కువ ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వండి. ముందు మీరు చూడాల్సింది క్లాసెస్ మీకు ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఏజెంట్ సూట్ అవుతుందా, సూట్ అయితే ఓకే, ట్రైనింగ్ టీచింగ్ స్టైల్ బాగుందా, ఇదంతా మీకు బాగుంది అనుకున్న తర్వాతే ఫీజులోకి రండి. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే నేను మీకు ఓకే ఫీజు తగ్గించేస్తాను 10,000 కట్టంటే మీకు ఆ 10,000 కూడా వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది మీకు నచ్చని సబ్జెక్ట్ అయితే. ఇక్కడ డబ్బు కంటే ఈ 6 నెలలు అనేది ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ అండి. 6 మంత్స్ టైం అనేది ఒక కెరీర్లో ఈజీ సబ్జెక్ట్ కాదు అది. సో మీరు వాటి మీద ఫస్ట్ ఫోకస్ పెట్టండి, ఫస్ట్ క్లాసెస్ చూడండి. క్లాసెస్ మీకు బాగా నచ్చినాయి అంటే కంటిన్యూ చేసుకోండి.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో ఫీజుకి తక్కువ ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వండి, మీరు కంటెంట్కి ఎక్కువ ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వండి.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే.